Me and him attack at first.
When
And
me
then
shut up! Now your mother think I'm my mother. Don't talk to me when me I talk to you. Oh, me can't see you a man turn up on road.
Oh, hold on there. So he had take me money and I give girl if play a box and I buy girl rum and how much floss I drink and sitting with my money.
Maggie Films.
Maggie.
Somebody like you, get somebody like you like that. Got no one to blame, you're falling apart. A couple of volumes on fixing your heart. Nobody got you, and nobody got you like I did when you left just to find your fix. Keep losing yourself and you call it a win. Now I'm here just like you wanted. Once again without a warning. 'Cause when you look in my eyes and it's so cold, turn around on your knees, take the pain just to feel. When you walk through the night and it's so cold, feel me there on your skin, take the pain just to feel. Nobody like you, and nobody do the things that you do. We blaze through the lights, no hands on the wheel. We cover the nights, then we crash through the hills. Ooh, it's not a fall. I try to cope, but I can't keep it to myself. Ooh, you call my name because you know there's no else. 'Cause when you look in my eyes and it's so cold, turn around on your knees, take the pain just to feel. When you walk through the night and it's so cold, feel me there on your skin, take the pain just to feel.
Girl, a long time I not see you. Me glad to see you.
Oh,
Come
God.
give me a hug,
Yeah,
man.
man.
Sure.
Oh God.
And life fit you, man.
Yes.
Life fit you.
Yeah, my love. Yes.
Pass around like England pound.
Grace of God, the grace of God,
Yes.
the grace and the mercy of it always pray. Remember, say me always talk about that, you know. The praying thing good and sitting. Girl, you know what me call you? Me have sitting to tell about the dirty boy where they go on like he want to run the lane.
Ooh.
Patrol.
That did. Hey. How you know?
When me know, you go frightened when you know.
How?
Me hear say the boy dirty patrol me they chat. And some had a friend when you have some other jing bands. Your jing bang friend them. Scam. And when they send the one with you receive it, cause them would have be the dealer, you know. Yes, when the receiver go figure receive it, then hold on pan the boy passport book. Cause I'm passport book indeed I use.
Yes, the brutes.
Yes. Indeed I use him passport book for collect it. When they see the amount of money, then hold on pan him and call police.
Good.
Him gone down a station now and call up the whole of them names. So right now police are look for patrol.
Yes, there is a God. Yeah, long time that they brute and him friend them for left lane, you know.
Police
long
are look
time.
for the drunk girl and me not like him from morning. In thief out milk out of coffee. He finger them and no fame. Me go down the road that day because he want all woman they chat him ma. Him and her patrol a jacket and that's why he thief so and how he thief like him mama.
Yes.
Me know such patrol mama used to work a hotel in a Hanover. Where hotel name up Hanover like you go mobile.
Like the Rio.
The big hotel there. Boy. And a real name. But you know me, I chat when I left out a Lucy and they go up. One big hotel there, so me say, I used to walk there and then catch him with chicken leg out of the gate, security catch him. Me say, Mama, thief, so till so patrol. Thief before him born.
I saw your name, Patrol.
God almighty.
From
What
you
a
go
boy.
in there, it no come back out.
A criminal.
The whole family
Police
of
feel
them.
lock him up.
Lock up the whole of them. Aye, me no mind if police no bother with it. Lock him up, you know.
That's why.
Them the people no they forgot quarter and with stop spare money.
Why make you don't want police lock him up? You ain't my friend. You ain't man no friend,
No,
you know.
them fit me. You know, see how police work. Them do them work on him, man.
Oh,
Time
me
on
know- me know
go
what
get
you
good
mean.
lawyer.
Just-
He might go
ju-
get good lawyer and come back out.
Bev,
And
just
come back
said
out with
dirt
it.
no Ivy they talk to you, you know.
Hey.
You know say me pick up things easily.
You know, man.
Listen to me. Just say dirt.
But
You
then
want
some
then
catch
dirt
him
him
with
because
God.
thief him all a broke people place going at people. Me saying thief him going at people house through then win that the other day me hear police lock him up and will give him 1 week in there and put him on one bail.
That's
Eh?
why me
Guess
say-
why in thief no?
Huh.
The people them TV, flat screen TV,
Hey, they
75-inch TV, smart TV.
They lucky.
We have few much money and carry go sell it few much and then TV they there now. Who guess how much we saying sell it for? The boy a move like a stocky out.
Hey,
Sell the people them TV for $1,000, 1,000 Jamaican
US.
dollar. Which US? Jamaican.
that's it. Hey, the other day, me walk past and see my hey, you know Miss Merkel yard.
Hey,
A thief off of the line, thief draws off of the line. After that, me never want to tell you, you know, Ivy,
how
that me are your friend. And me no want to see a little girl go down the wrong path. Me know how hard you batter with her.
how she do now?
She and the one Keisha, you know, see them about here and bench, they're my best friend.
So then say,
You work too hard with that little girl. She had no good company she a keep.
me know, me warn her about it.
And not that, Ivy, me are your friend, so me have to go tell you straight. The one pothole, it look like say him and your daughter a deal. Me see the two of them. And no good thing.
What you not say to me?
Your daughter in the sister and friend, and look like say the pothole want come in your family too.
Who for family?
For your family,
You're
so
mad.
little from this him for call your ma.
Tappy. No say that again. You know and I know that my daughter is underage, and if Patwell think him bad, unless he no want the private they will God give to him. You know me, you know? You're my friend, you know me. I will rotten off that way I have.
That's why me I tell you, cause we don't know say little pick name love. And when me see him and your baby girl,
Where you try say?
him a look your baby girl sin thing.
No, me know say Patwell. A liar than thief and
And
he do all
him
kind of
love
things.
little
So
girl.
how you want say my pedophile? A pervert? A liar tell. Thank you for telling
Him
me.
say the sister forget the friend them.
You know say I warn my daughter about that girl. Because me no like that the generation then known tall. Me no like that the family then known tall. Then dangerous. Them living dangerously. I mean no like that the family there. I mean no want my daughter have nothing to do with that the family there.
That's so make me have to come tell you.
Me have to go talk to her. Thank you for telling me.
Me have to come tell you.
Thank you.
Because that's a dog and the whole family them a pit bull.
But look man dirty Patwell too. And my daughter dear me need that too, you know, because she underage. She not ready for man yet, you know.
You have to talk to her.
She not ready for man yet. And if she thinks a baby a handbag, and even if in the wait, my friend, listen to me now, Bev. Even if my daughter they hide and I do things where she not supposed to do, that they dirty thieving boy there. Me no want she hide and do not with that the idiot there. Me nah say my code, don't get me wrong, me nah say my daughter must go hide and do wrong things, you know.
No.
But you know say sometime all when you school them and they tell them the right from the wrong, then feel say when they reach certain age you can't talk to them again. So then still hide and do certain things but they're not supposed to.
Ivy, Tina, what here?
How you call Ivy? Little girl, me no size. And not true because you are my daughter and friend of yours, if you can talk to me in that the manner there. Me older than you, me could have be your mother.
Miss Ivy, Tina over there.
What the good evening there? Or the good afternoon
Good,
now?
good evening, Miss Ivy. Tina over there.
Yeah, she over there. Damn out order. You know no manners. No little brat up say. Watch her. I walk and I wiggle her little mag herself like she a big woman.
Kuya, eh? Me invisible now. Me must say a dopey.
Tina!
No.
You alright?
Yeah.
It's so hot.
If you tell you about more, I talk to you about in the boat. You alright, yes, sir?
So you want... Alright, come on.
And if you never put her in her place, she wouldn't acknowledge you right neither.
Me know, they are no manners, them are young people here. I can't go on like they want to talk to the whole of people, them like I say, they are no parent.
But
They
Ivy,
disrespect anybody.
but Ivy, you bad too, you know.
How want me do?
Are you bad too?
How want me do?
You never send her to your daughter, and you tell me say you talk to your daughter, nothing link up with her.
Listen to me.
You encourage it, man.
Glad you say that.
Sure.
Guess what? Me no want she know say me have a plan for she and her dirty brother. So me can't too front up and go on like I say me not in her now because me have a plan for them. So take time talk, man.
Me never wonder, come in
Take
know
time
you for a
talk.
long
Me
time.
not even want her in my yard. Do you see me send her over there? Use your head no bed.
And then me I wonder, come here see how you send her to the... Hey, so quick. Me expect you to say, no, she not there or really put her in her place.
Okay.
No. See, I have a plan. Me love that. Come here, I wonder.
Mommy, so come here. Ivy, so come here.
I'm here ring with again, little girl. Oi, oi! What's up? Oh, we are 16. You believe so you pass the age of consent, so you're gone. You not hear me again? How we deal with them when you come back? Now what you say? You see that?
Ivy, let me ask you something. Me there?
No, it was invisible.
No, cause them see you go, one see you go, and this time two ago. And normally you don't have manners. Your
wonder-
sister she rub off on her.
You know, say from other day, me did a talk to her about hygiene and everything, and she look like she's sexually active.
Jesus.
Me I wonder if she a virgin again because sometimes they hide and do things, you know, and not tell her the truth, you know. My mind they tell me say fi carry her go a doctor. Worse about tell me about this damn patrol and how she and him in a business. Me no know if they are pregnant and under we roof and we don't know. They come over from this big belly and then me shame like dog. Me I go talk to her about it.
You have to do it today to get out of hand. You know,
See,
see,
there, she gone with friend.
hi. And Tina normally have manners. Me I watch little girl grow up from crib.
Anytime they start the things where they're not supposed to do or they might do it before time.
Yes.
So then deal with parents. But watch me here now. She forgot a over roof she under.
Yes. You have to carry her go a doctor soon.
Yes.
It's right to get from bad
Ivy.
to worse.
No come on.
Hey, you look nice to a girl.
Thank you.
You could have make it look longer, though.
I don't want no more longer.
Eh?
I don't want no more longer. I couldn't manage you.
You know hot girl settings, you know. Right, that's what me. Why son hot, man? So, where's you have to tell me now, Tina?
I have something to tell you about, boy. Different for that, though. You know, say party where they keep, so... Me want going out with a chua mummy, man. Couldn't go no way.
You see it? You see me, I tell about the woman there. The woman in a hole no meds, you know. And then again, you don't know what to do. Eh? You know, so she should have fling on the clothes and tuck it through one window or tuck it through the next back door.
You know, so I'm still already.
Tell us, you're not ready for the street yet, man. You now move like you're ready for the street.
Anyways, oh, that's a cool man.
Take all. How are you?
No, sir.
You see, you're not ready for the street yet. Eh? Look where they behave.
Mama,
Eh?
kind of
You're not even hardly sitting. I just me smoke or fight that choke you. So what you say have to tell me now? Because that me really want to hear now.
Oh, what me have to do? I'm pregnant too.
Tell me the years.
I am pregnant.
And you make me a get a cigarette? If you come collapse for me and send me to prison, girl.
What me I say I got prison?
No, you can't do that, Tina. You can't do that. You can't do that. And that's why sometimes me have to know who me are running. Because you can't say me your friend. And you make me a give you a cigarette and if you come collapse you out or so.
Alright. Me never mean stills.
So, tell me again the ears.
I am pregnant. Mom not tell mommy nothing.
Savior. And what is for my Father God? So, Tina, you hear me?
Yeah, me I hear you.
You're underage, you know.
No.
I mean, now I'm going to tell us if you do nothing stupid towards the belly where you have right now. But what you plan to do?
The children know what to do, you know. That thing more for that show.
Where you think for dash you away? Tina, come on, man. Tina, you know, say, me feel like a woman there, you know. Me feel like a Ivy. Ivy, no know. Listen, Tina, let me tell you something. Me and you now go hold no dash your belly argument right or so. You hear me I tell you?
No, me say me
Yeah.
I think about it, but me suppose me change my mind.
Listen, not even think enough to think about that. You know dash your belly, carry the belly. A matter of fact, you start think about fi dash your belly. You even go take one pregnancy test fi see if you're pregnant for true.
Yeah. In bike here come give me and one time I test it a 2 line. So
Tina, who name him? Tina, who name him?
your brother patrol.
No, sir.
So the way to for
No, man. You mean to tell me, say, in little time me got Smile Island, what you find time for, matter of fact, where you find time if you go over there so go catch belly? Eh?
well, and then me go over film yard and him come over for me, you know. One time mommy not did it. And sometimes mommy just sleep in her room.
Tina, me tell you something, no, me not judge you, no. But me think me did bad. Tina, you're bad, you know? Tina, you're bad.
How me bad? By this kitchen one belly? That means I'm bad. Me never intend for, me never want if you happen. Me never intend if you happen. Me tell you if you use condom. You have to want to use it.
Oh, so that me just say, so you know condom.
Of course me know
You know
it. So me
you
got
condom.
school for.
See? So, what happened? What happened with the condom? A bossy boss?
I that him tell me so.
That him a tell you. So when he tell you? When I catch your belly?
Yeah.
So let me ask you one question now. Tina, you're not too old to learn and you're not too young to learn. What you learn at school, say if when you have sex and the condom bust, what you must do after?
Take one B. But me never know. And I like saying never you need tell me.
Tina, how you figure breed? For me bad breed, brother. Eh? Me look at teeth in what you say? That Ivy has about me?
Stop. Call her Ivy. Use miss.
How come I'm afraid of Ivy?
That's why mommy say you're a bad company girl. Because you not no manners that mommy and shy say.
Oh man. I don't want to caught myself in a father God. So, me so now dig one hole if you dig two. So you tell me say, Ivy slung for my name. I say, you fit up keep me company.
Yeah.
So tell me something now. Tell me something now. So me I walk go carry go give a man, eh? Me I carry a bad way, eh? No matter of fact, you wrong way, me I carry wrong way.
No. You always tell me right. But you how you go on when you talk to mommy or sometimes you call to mommy. She say you don't have no manners. But me know say I judge mommy and judge you know. Because you're a good person. Me say me and you par. So you always tell me right for wrong.
So let me tell you something, you know. Make Ivy go and judge me, you know. She alright, you know. You see how she and Bev down there, so, eh? What chat, them a chat people business and all, cause that's all them good for you know. And let me tell you something too. Remember when I catch your belly, me name there? What me say me name do?
And then there.
And you know say me name there a small island me did there. And them then the time they know some so if Ivy if you find out, you know, you will hear say I miss set up on my brother if you go breathe, you know. And I saw my name, I go ahead and listen, you know. That they could drunk, you know. Hey, watch me and him, I don't like it. Sometimes I wonder if me come out I see him womb. Because I don't understand how he move so careless. Eh? Eh?
I hear fast sales, you know. Because you miss now for hurt me. I don't know which part you're gone, brother. You both you got a small island. You never dare to guide me.
So hold on there. And me have your foot them. Eh? And me have your underneath. Eh? Let me tell you something, you know. Tina, don't piss me off in idea, you know. Don't piss me off, Tina. Because you must know right from wrong. Don't think about these scooter, man. I said, me tell you, you must know right from wrong. And you see it, me dey carry couple Irish Spring for you and so sitting, but come here, I forgot to trade and buy baby clothes now.
Well, Mr. Glass, say you got to 92.
Me want glad. Me want glad, you know. And me not judge the baby in your belly, and me not regret the baby, but guess what? Me did want you get pregnant when you left school. What me say, when you left school, you go to college, and you're there for your own, and I make your money. And them the time when you want you get pregnant, you go and breed for thief.
At them the time them want to get pregnant too.
For thief, you
What?
go and breed for thief. You know, you see, if I did want respectable man, you go breed for, you know. It would somebody, you know. Hold on there. Oh, I come. My fiancé. Hi, baby. Yes, I'm okay. I'm just here chilling. Yes. Yeah. You know that yes, the luggage. You know that the luggage that I leave, I don't get it all now. Yes, baby. Remember that it have a lot of stuff in there. Want me to give away to the people. Yes, but don't worry yourself about that. I'm coming back. No, honey, it's nothing like that. What you mean? No, man, next time I'm not going to use Montego Bay Airport. I'm going to use Kingston Airport. Yes, love. But anyways, don't worry yourself. May I come back up there mountain. Yes, love. But anyways, I'll call you back later. Okay, love you. Mwah. Oh, God.
Anyways, me I call and go. But where's the water party later? Come here, come on.
Come away. Hello. Me nah carry go no party with me. The only party you go party in your bed, clinic party and hospital party. Listen to me, you take the way there and me take the way there. Come, get her. Get her along.
Bye.
Yo, how bossy you don't even know, you know, man. Thing grieve me to my heart, you know, father. What you mean? We go up on the move. Clearly, father. Zine, check it out to the punk they sending me bad man. That's what I tell us, say, father. I didn't want to make me do the mission alone. See that little clown the way you send with me? I reach down there and tell me, say, don't do this, don't do that. And a ball. Can I go back style him there? Okay, unprofessional style him there. Eh? Yo, boss, I'm not telling no lies still, you know. Mission did sweet different one time I take him out of my mind and just deal with the operation the right way, you know. You see me? And I come and bring in food them and think. Oh dear man. A proper mission will go up and man, all the things that a little fool enough to come with me next time and me alone for my sure. You see me? Yeah. I'm telling this to bossy. No disrespect, you know. You see me, can you know when I talk to you straightforward, you know. Got December I'm born on my thing. Straightforward. You see me? Next time to make up on the mission, I don't want no little short thing there. You see me? Yeah, you know, give me no vibes. You mean say what me a talk about? I want a tall broomstick father, you know that man? Yeah man, more you talk to fear boy them man, I make them know say yo. Long sitting them more for you to see tall broomstick like a so say the corrupt tree back at me and seriously you can't even see it right now on the phone, you know. Some want my machine tall. You see me? So I go out there and say a brawling me I deal with the thing. Oh, we say brawling and we don't mash up the mission same way. Yeah. And look where you reach now, boss. You mean if we get a youth, what you talk about? Yeah man. Yeah man, for the same little cat to the man. See you know say tell me boy now want to get pregnant. Let's use one style upon him like the first style chicks the way we have. Just bust a condom. And the works. I mean. So bossy. You know say I bank them when someone start and take on answer. That's why I tell about the tall boom them and them things.
Oh, but they don't want to be drunk for there.
Yeah man, how are you man?
Me talk to you. Me know why they pan on phone. Me talk to you.
I say me then call patrol and say, you know, bossy. To make sure, remember, so when I drive on the road, the amount of patrol that pass with the car, you know. Alright, bossy, different. Tell you what, don't shut about me. I chat them like an unwanted sister, yes, sir.
Me dear. No, sir. How we call unwanted?
How you then do?
We call unwanted because you see last time I check. This can't even me. See last time I check. Are you unwanted and thief? You thief. Me say, you see all the professional thief them are out there. You double check them. You thief than them. For unwanted. Patrol.
You know we roll.
Patrol.
Don't catch cold.
Hey. You see, sometimes I wonder if up your so and your head right it. Sometimes I wonder up your so right it.
How you do?
But let me tell you something, you know. You see, when you drop your standard, your reputation, also how your standard, your reputation drop. Left me out of it. Leave me out of it. Stop mention me in your problem them. Everywhere me go, me I hear say, Patoa sister this, Patoa sister. Hey, leave me out of your...
What the name, sis?
So hold on there.
What me do with the name?
Hold on there. So me I talk to you and I have no respect again.
Yeah, listen to you.
No, me I talk to you and I have no respect. Yeah, look around this like around this somebody at. So hold on there. Me really unwanted for you.
People them a come me and look at me and watch out me head back away.
Patrol. No, cause everybody if you hear this, you know, why you breed the people them girl pitney?
I don't take come to the bosses.
Patrol.
What God give me experience passes? Sure enough to drink.
Me never say if you drink. But God gave for you to be something sensible, not figure go the little pitney way. Eh?
Sensible for a woman to get it and not a man.
No, bro. You turn one piece of pedophile. You turn one piece of pedophile from what they me wonder, you better this stick to your teeth in, because teeth is not so bad, but pedophile.
So I think me on one piece to man.
Hey.
What you talking about? Teeth on one piece.
Hey, mama know?
You do it again? Mama know what?
Hey, mother know?
Think I theater me around for mama sit down and watch me? Think I movie this? Ramp with me? And what you try to say? Pedophile enough you now pick me? How you want me do? Come on fight like a gilding. Insist?
You better you come and fight as a gilding. Because guess what happened now?
As a gilding? You have a minion patrol, you know?
Listen, right now you name Dirt Patrol. You name Dirt Patrol. Because me don't understand where you come from, which nation you jack from. Because you not chat no with sense right now. Not me you not chat with sense. Listen to me. You see before you breed people girl pitney, think about their future.
Yo, you see I'm a hypocrite youth. You are a hypocrite in a bad man. what you pray. Anyhow, as somebody has that time with pregnant, you know. You're not happy for that, you know. We see your friend. Thing good sis man.
No man, no sir. But from what you come like you get bright. Don't lick me in my head, don't do that.
Sister, come
Before
back,
me,
let me pray for myself.
Mr. Mayor, we fight out of today. I don't mean to make you know. Mr. Mayor, we fight. I need to lick me back. Mr. Henry, you lick me back. What when me start walking around and tell them say I beat me down. You know me, we do it too. Rubbish. Listen to me. Listen to me.
Well today.
What you plan to do?
Just like what me did.
What you plan to do with the belly there? May I ask one question? What you plan to do with the belly?
I make sure carry my youth. Anyway, she make nothing happen to me with a problem because I want me youth. You see me? I know joking business this. See free. It's like how many patrol. It's me youth. Smooth road that I got name. Remember me tell you that. You see how you can talk. You want to work with auntie, you know. Because you go to foreign, you know. And you don't bring down nothing for youth, you know. You don't bring down nothing for me, you know. Look for me. See him sitting them me, you know.
When you and Tina they wrap up in a bed and a thief on the floor or whatever, me did it. And what you mean by me not bring down my fear? Me not even know say girl pregnant because that can't baby clothes. But what you mean by me tell you to buy things for you still a thief?
Where they in there?
Me tell oi, this a shorts we have on and me buy gear. This a underpants we have on and me buy gear. This a socks and this a shoes. Up to the living here for you come like and me buy gear.
And get steal now, sir.
Eh?
Get steal.
They get steal and why they get to get thief too much. Everywhere you go and you got thief, see no hook you. And that's why you look so stale.
Watch your mouth on the road now, man. Not going like you want to bring down reputation, you know. Nobody going like you want to come break down and load up my talent on the road, you know. Because everybody have this talent here, you know. Can go do things and don't get catch, you know.
Why?
Here, and everybody can go do things and don't get catch. So I ramp with my talent and go like you want to come load up it. You know much people, I can link me on my phone and I send people to me. Want me come to Kingston, come work for them. Watch all about the place. You don't even know where I go on, and that may make you know. See all I come around the corner there, you couldn't even bring my water for me.
Alright, where them a put a right place, them a put the cheese for the rat come catch it, Kingston.
Which is rich rat calling.
You know what? You see the last word me just say, the last place them a put the cheese for the rat come catch it. You must know after. You see you are sorry for your condition. You
Captivity living. Yeah, learn about it.
abysmal.
How we make people live safe on the streets, yeah. If you never my sister, you couldn't live so safe. Just know that. See?
Oi, I'm me savior name. I'm me a savior. Everyone me go you do something, you know what they say? What they say? Patrol sister, Keisha, I'm me savior. Cause some man would have, hey, I
know what going on.
You don't even know they say I just feel like kick you down.
My powers are live off a man. See you walk like snake and crab at the same time. Don't know if I'm mommy and daddy get what if I'm nobody in my family that walks up. Try broke man vibes in the youth. Call a girl that way. Make sure you answer in on a man down there. I'll go on with baby mother. I want to call her, so you have to get used to the any of them, man. I want to man, but I already full fullness. They're on the road now, can give me a one link now. Alright, I'm here. Nah, man, pray my government. Just come give me a fast and proper link. Alright. Belly. One up. I don't know about.
Tell mommy.
What a creator, you know. My youth have to have proper hygiene, you know. Just like daddy. May I tell you? What? Oh dear, you have to come and get the education good and father creator and beg you on your band. You born with no problem, no sickness. no disableness. Oh, go on, my baby.
Nothing.
We are there, you know, so if you come look for your baby father.
You know what kind of mother I have already?
That no normal priest still. Come here, sir. Come here, I have a few things to teach you, you know.
No problem, no.
But so we have to look one funny way. You see it?
We?
You know what I mean?
No.
Sweet.
No, it come like I'm me, just impregnate myself, you know.
What you say?
It look like I'm me impregnate myself. Kind of, no, it come like it's me alone in this. You know, call me, you know, text me, you know, check up, nothing.
Sit down some of that thing. I'm going to know who call it up here right now. Sit down
That's
here.
all I tell you, come call me, you know.
Sit down here, sir. I feel like somebody pity. Listen to me. I have a few lines to teach you. Because neither your mommy don't know them line here to teach you. Okay? You young but me have an elder mind. You understand? You overstand. You understand. Will I stand them?
Alright, don't. Get deep in.
See a lot of people who want that. You see me? And I make up their mind feed. Means that you make up your mind firm and steady for what they come right now. You see me? The more you learn, the more you be smart. And I tell you so we go upgrade things. We don't want you to sit down and fold it and me and talk to you.
When you say upgrade, what you mean by that? You mean by teeth in sitting them?
Speaking something. But I use the word they went to me a reason. Okay,
Tell me
you
that.
don't know how man have to survive out in the streets here. You know how much hard work me do? And people are going to try to pin teeth for me. Just can't see ya man and not to talk about that. Listen to me. Just make sure you have a head for your body.
Yeah, me do.
And when you got a doctor, make no doctor man touch you.
How far do me wanna go? Yeah, come with me, so what you mean say when me got doctor?
To me no man, they not going to make me in a room where you're in. And if you do it, deliver it. So in there, every man touch you, you scream. You bawl, you feel scared. Tell them say you're allergic to man doctor. Okay? Yes.
No, sir.
So my baby can born and me be the first man to touch him. Not even my father, me first to touch him as a man.
Anything you say, but I don't feel ready for this. I want to go back to school. I want to have a job. I want to make a lot of money. Brother,
Listen to me man, you get all of that man. That you worry about. Me have that in process for you already.
I feel like I want to get rid of it.
What? Get up. I didn't overheard what you just said. What you just said to me?
So I feel like I want to get rid of it.
Because what?
Come in ready for it.
Right now you know see you look more than ready. Look at your clothes, your blouse, your skirt look nice for you. Much as a hair. Only thing you want are like edges. Maybe we can get later. We the top when you look ready. Cool!
Come on.
Mommy, we have something to tell you. Is it Tina? She gone from the road and I'm asking for caramel. You never carry me.
You look more than ready. Take a turn. You can't see yourself. Right now you're more than ready. You're born ready.
How much time let the fella say? Let me stop call girl him. Your sister, you say her or she. Anyway. Don't worry about where she gone from the road with. She tell me say she gone buy cheese stick for you. What
Mommy, I lied.
do you mean?
But they hear the funny phone, she did talk to somebody.
Where here, she said.
She had some like a man voice. She said, "My son come here." That she say.
So her phone did turn up. Do you hear that?
She put it on speaker on my little Alex and me asleep.
I lie.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, now what you say?
No, I have to worry about nothing. See me?
Okay. Mommy, I told me I tell you. You see? That is why she didn't want to carry me a shop with her.
Come here. Hold your sister, man. And go down in the yard. Go on.
Come on.
Go on down in the yard. You little dirty foot patrol. What you do with my daughter? You know no ambition, you know. Patrol, you know no good man. Me can't say you're non-ambitious. Because if you're a decent, good, responsible man, you wouldn't turn up a roadside with picnic underage.
You don't talk.
You're dirty and worthless. Me can't don't talk. Me don't like you. I mean, I like nobody for you. I mean, I want you in my family. You're too thief. You go three people and win and thief out then TV like the police all and pull you and lock you up. Me don't know what they send you out for.
Yeah, what you talk to you, General?
What you gonna do? What you gonna do, patrol? What you gonna do? If you think you're bad. What you know what? Give me this. Come in and want to mash up your face out of the patrol. You know so you can't play with me. What if me go report you to my brother? You know my brother don't play. You know that.
No,
I don't put my glasses on your face because you look like you don't bathe from morning.
No, like a good son in
Patrol,
the
you're
put on
a
it.
scammer. I don't want no scammer in my family. You're not too wicked. I don't want no police and no bad man come kill off me and my family. Damn. And what they do with my daughter? So that you they do. Hide and call my daughter. Make she come meet you on the road and look more from this. You go breed her and left it on me. And threaten her on top of it and tell her, say, anyhow, she calling you, you go get this, read her family and she. Yeah, this man called away a liar that tell before so I go down a station right now, go report you.
I threaten me.
And tell them, say, you threaten me. All when you not threaten me, we go down, they go do it for now.
Yeah, first box.
You take it for joke.
You can't do that and we have so much tall, bro, thick link. A joke.
You find it funny, not true?
A joke, yeah, man.
Tall broom thick link. You're so
Me,
fine
a station.
Yeah. We are
Joke, yeah,
like
man.
you up.
Me? I know a
That
station
I say.
afraid of me. I'm a link them. Me tell you that.
Yes, no police can lock you up, John Croft.
Oh, I'm dear. I never know say soup, I'm my uncle.
So, what that mean? That mean no police can lock you up?
I never know say Mr. James, I'm my uncle.
Here we are.
Man.
So, who cares if James your uncle, auntie,
Yeah.
or niece? You will
Be a-
find out.
be a
You
joke
have
again,
links
man.
and me have links.
Yeah, what you pray? Just make me lock off your family so I can take care of you
Lock
and
off
take
which
care of
family?
your
We don't
whole
want nothing from you.
family.
We look like desperation of hungriness step on we. Lock off which family?
Listen to me.
Me I beg you anything?
Listen to me, mommy. Just make me be the Santa Claus.
Me is not your
And you are
mother,
the
be with
family.
Santa Claus. Not under my Christmas tree. Go with that and take with yourself.
Let me be the Santa for the family. Okay? And you could be one of my reindeer. Where's the
And your
glasses?
uncle where inspector they trick you. Who to tell if I no liar they tell? You and the police them and the inspector them down the and nothing.
Hello. I done grade my uncle thing. Me never say inspector.
How?
Soup. And soon be corporal and bigger heads. Calm down yourself. Watch your mouth is speech enough breath.
Oi. You see you? You find everything funny and me not run no joke.
Mommy.
You see, you have your link and whosoever you are by family from police and inspector and higher rank. Let me tell you the same thing. Me know who me have to deal with you. So me not go and they laugh like me an idiot. You look somebody for run joke with you. All me
I
I tell
get
you
the
say,
joke.
don't make me come back and see you and my daughter again.
Listen to mommy, and me I get the joke at me for laugh. You just need to calm down
Me not find it
your
amusing, it not
spirit.
funny.
Listen to me. You just need to calm down your spirit.
Oh, me I don't know your
you
client them,
see?
you know.
Yeah,
Oh,
you hear me,
listen
sir?
to me. Me I don't know your client them.
You just need to listen to me, work with the flow.
When they on the LR, look here, me and none of your client them no talk to me so and no talk to me that kind of way then in my conversation I chat about. You watch it pre, no bother
okay,
with me.
Okay, can you hear me?
Me ain't no
out?
size.
Listen to me. You just need to relax, calm down your spirit. You see them 2 goal posts up on your ears. You just relax and make me go and score a goal in them. You see me? 2 goal posts, one here and one over here. Right
I
size.
joking thing in the pan, not sure. You know see I take everything when I say for joke. All me they want you and tell her say, just leave me daughter alone. Me no want hear or see you with me daughter again. Me no want hear say you and her turn up. No way.
Mommy,
And me no want see.
what you don't know
You
all of that,
understand me?
yo?
What me no know older than me? What you try to tell me say? You and me daughter in a so intimate relationship.
It's on here.
With that intimate or social.
Daddy, I want to see Daddy.
What you try to say? You can't impregnate my daughter. You impregnate my daughter. Or you say, may God help your son. I'm not even over that tell you when you say.
Just pray for us and wish the family a happy good luck. Modern time, mommy.
Somebody like you, somebody like you like that. Got no one to blame, you're falling apart. A couple of volumes on fixing your heart. Nobody got you, and nobody got you like I did when you left just to find your fix. Keep losing yourself and you call it a win. No, I'm here just like you wanna.
Big man. Forward there. Sorry, forward there, me a car. Come in at this.
What?
Yeah, man, me there was when you know, so I tell you something, pass away outside, you know, talk to some baby.
Them who?
You know, the boy dirty foot patrol, me say talk to your daughter, man.
Boa.
If you tell her we have to give me a 50, man, what you talk about?
If you tell you what me have to give you $50.
What you mean?
If I take piece of sitting and give you a rotted lick up here today, you know say you always do them kind of sitting here. Look here.
Yeah, pay Jones.
But look how much time me give you money. And you don't do no work. And other day me give you a picture. When me talk, no talk to me. You always a style me in them kind of way. You come to tell me, you tell me, Mom, you have to pay you $50 first. Look how much time me put you on work for cut yard. You're not even cut it good. Eh? And me give you money, give you rum and then something there. You know what? You say me give you my last money when me have in my pocket because I don't have no more. The $150 me have. See there? And you tell me foolishness. Kick you from me gate. So make sure say where they go say make sense.
You know, so I go, man.
See $50 here.
Alright, you are going. You don't talk about belly, you know. So, you have to check out what I go on.
What do you mean belly? What kind of belly?
Check out what I go on, belly. Belly business, you don't know more about that.
Tina! Come here. You're pregnant?
No, mommy.
You sure?
Mommy. What am I pregnant for?
You see, you take your time and talk. Mommy, what am I pregnant for? And when you're the pan road, you load out your mouth with man. Load near say so you be a fan there. What you mean where you're pregnant for? Where they have sex for? And that's why you go pregnant.
Mommy,
if you're pregnant.
I am not pregnant. I may not have sex.
Me hear a big say you're pregnant.
I am not pregnant. Come in and do nothing.
You don't do nothing.
No.
I wonder if you remember your age. 16, you're underage. You're not supposed to turn up on a roadside and chat to no man. You're a pitney. You're underage.
Oh, mommy. I'm a sister. I'm a friend. Brother.
And what?
So something wrong with that, so me talk to
You
him.
make mistake or what? Or a liar try to tell her something.
Mommy, I am
I'm a
not
sister,
telling you.
brother, I'm a friend. Brother, what you talk about? Me don't know say dirty patrol or the girl where you and her a friend, brother. Me know say the two of them are brother and sister. You understand?
Yes, mommy.
You know what? You don't carry a doctor. Yes. That's the only way I can prove it that you're not pregnant. Because from the other day you act like you're sexually active. Yes. I did not tell me the truth or something or something.
So mommy, so show how me act. So show how me act, I'm going. Me have to?
Oi. You see dirty Butterfoot boy where you just left me turn up with the chat out the road out there so when me come and see you with? Me and him, they chat about when they do. And you know it, in the pan, and they act like me not act the joint say, choo. Me no pick up when I say and go towards it. Me they talk about when me talk about choo, you and my daughter. You know in the pan? Nah. You know what that mean?
Mommy, it's the same thing me I talk to you
Then
about.
now me here. Say you the hey.
Mommy, people will continue to come to you and tell you things. And I expect that people love people business, and plus when they see people pick me and talk to somebody and talk about things.
Oh, you are 16. At the age of 16. How you the pan road with man way bigger than you, older than you?
Mommy, remember saying no? You're too old fella and you're too young fella. So in my teeth Mommy, listen to me now.
Say nothing to me like you're me tutor. Where the cheese stick the way you go buy? Liar
I
that.
see you me never buy
You
it.
can me. Where the cheese stick there? You tell Jasmine say, me son come, me go to the road go buy cheese stick for me.
Yes, me I buy it for you.
How comes and me? Cause if you no buy it for you now.
Me and him attack at first.
When
and
me
then
come, shut up! Now your mother think my mother don't talk to me when me I talk to you. Oh, me come see you and man turn up on road and run you down in a yard and you pass so much shop and you still don't buy the cheese strip. You think so me I hear that?
No, Mommy.
You see if I never one thing. If I never one thing, me the one you know. You see if I never one thing. Oi, I told me not believe in a child abuse. I'd give you one lick in your head. Move friend in front of me. And if you oi, come back here. All of me tell you to move friend in front of me. Me they chat to you. Turn up. Let me tell you something. You now come out of the yard if you think you're going nowhere. Go on now. Can't even wash your damn underwear them properly about to not turn up a roadside and chat to man. You're not even like wash plate, you know clean house, you know do nothing. So a man in your brain that me send you go to school for. Alright. Tina! Come here to me. Come around here, sir. Right there, sir. Look at my eye then. You know your mother not joke.
Yes, Mommy.
You know say me no run joke.
Yes, Mommy.
You know say anything when me tell you that me say and that me mean and it me I go do.
Yes, Mommy.
Okay. Listen to me now. You feel say you're younger than me, you're smarter than me. But you're not smarter than me. I go tell you something. Me I left go up on the road go do something. And me no want you left out of the yard, not all. You hear what me say?
Yes, Mommy.
Well, me I go leave you with your niece. Me need you to take care of her. Don't leave her alone in the yard and don't come out of the yard with her. And you not left by yourself either. Me want go and come back and see in the yard. You need to wash your plate. And your dirty clothes them, where you're leaving at the bathroom, about 3 to 4 days now when me they warn you about from when you trick me and tell me how fab done. Or soap done. Mommy, me not have no soap. Mommy, water gone. You're full of excuse, but when you go up on the road, you think you're smarter than me? You're not smarter than me. So you make excuse to go up on the road, go buy fab and all now we clothes then can wash. Them still did make sure I come back and see them wash, the place clean up, and you give Jasmine something to eat. And if me hear say you go through the gate, plan the left hand of my roof. Because I realize the front of the day you pick up this big woman thing in your head. I realize that when you start have man secretly, when you don't want no parents to know about, when you talk to them anyhow, when you act anyhow and act big and make phone call behind me and make some big talk on phone like you are the woman in here so. And we are go, me I go see, or we are go see who run things in this. What me say, I'll be back.
Yes, Mommy. Come here. Wait, you love this clothes here, so?
No, Mama wash. I'm going to go in a basket and see.
So every day you have to wear the same thing over and over again? Well,
That's why.
anyways.
So every day I have to go to Panel Road over and over again.
Don't worry about that. Anyways, me go on the road and me buy a stick sweetie for you. Do not tell mommy something for you, you know.
Make sure you buy sweetie. I'm going to tell mommy.
Me go buy a sweetie for you. Do not tell mommy. By the way, so you gonna watch cartoon. Do not let nobody in the house. And do not light the stove. Okay?
Okay.
Alright.
Make sure you buy me sweetie, because I'm going to tell mom for you.
Yes, me go buy a sweetie.
Make sure. Oh, Tina. I'm running.
Yeah, I'm set up touch the stove.
But I'm hungry. I'm on my little.
One time I come back, me look about it for you. Do not touch this stove. Go and watch it.
Okay, I'm going to when you see this. I'm going to tell mom for you.
Yes, me will come.
Okay, sure.
Talk to brother man. Why you to both you want to look more ramen? I mean, talk to brother man.
Wow. Oh, hold on. When I see your mother go market and tell me say she leave you and the baby.
Oh, yes. But, so she want a sweetie, so me I go buy a fear down this one.
So who they in the house with her?
She watch cartoon.
No. You can't do that. Anything can happen.
Very true, but me tell her.
For sweetie. All
Best I
right.
gonna make it quick and come back.
All right. Let me tell you something. Me glad me see you here. You is a good girl. Your mother try hard with you. You hear what me say?
No, man.
Me see something the other day me not like.
Wow.
Show me your company and I tell you who you are.
Oh, Keisha, she alright.
So how you know who me I talk about?
Because I only person me par around with.
No par with her. Them a bad breed. People will mark you as bad breed too.
Yes.
Me no want to see it. You's a beautiful girl here.
Yeah.
And you're there on a good part. So here what? Me not like the idea of you little sister on her own, you know. So me I go stand up by the gate and wait till you come back. But me case and go shop and come back here.
You know, alright. Me change my mind. Me not go bother go. Me go stay with her until mommy come then. Really, yeah.
Alright, that's for sweetie.
But Auntie Bev and my little sister and my little niece, my mommy, big daughter, big daughter.
True. Me forget you alone no favor. Right,
Yeah.
come back. You know,
Yeah.
leave her alone for sweetie, man.
You see, she bag me about you know. That's why.
Enough to do that again, man, for sweetie.
I just she bother me about you.
Alright, stay with her. When your mother come here by sweet.
Yeah.
Alright, lovely.
Alright. I'm tired.
So you know, so me I tell a friend what they me I tell you, say them go unalive dirty patrol, you know. What me mean by that? Mama, me say patrol thief for too much money when me carry from overseas. Right now, she even know I look drunk. Me say I want to see him for na face. I see man and somebody come and tell me say they see patrol down a bar right now a flash out be $100 US. I lie. So what on there did it? So hold on there. So he had take me money and I give girl if play a box and I buy girl rum and how much floss I drink and sitting with my money. So hold on because you can't talk somebody story and talk for you. Where you get out there? How much you get out there? In bossy and give one look 100. You see? If him no good on like a dog, me no name Keisha. And the next thing, if him no good on like a dog I good on like a... Hold on there, see me little loving sister, yeah. I remember when I get sister from. You don't worry about that. Yeah, hey. But listen to me now, you see. Me nah say that, me soon continue the story. Me soon continue it. Rubbish.
I'm to you.
No. So what?
No, me dear.
No, because I kind of feel one little pain. I'm like a heart right this what?
Jaja.
Heart right this too. So you don't know say. We plan to give you one little change. We go buy some baby clothes.
Yeah.
You understand?
Mm-hmm.
Me never say you have to take the money when me a give you now, you know. Go give where they call him? Cause me not even want calling him. Where your man name? Where they call him?
Me too want to hear about him right now.
Me don't want you to take the money go give patrol.
Me not gonna give him nothing.
Like him.
And your brother?
Skirmish. Well, this is a 20.
Thank you.
And if you can check, you know how much you want $100 US. How much you want $100 US?
No remember, no. No, I don't remember.
How much you want $100? You know how much you want $100 US?
No, I'm stressed so. I don't remember nothing.
15,000. If you exchange job, probably you get 14,000 ad feet. So check 15. Just say 15. Check 15 times 20 and tell me how much I get. Hurry up.
Where you hurry me for? That's Christ. Sister Ella. 300,000.
How are you? What about 300,000?
That's what I feel of you saying, no?
I'm fees, man. That's at least, man. That's at least. I'm getting there hate me so, girl. I'm getting there bad mind me so. Cause every minute me take taxi like a plane. So let me tell you this is at least right now. You have to watch that. You get what me I say? Me rich and talk. That me I make you know. Just don't take none of them money they go give him. Cause your man chat too much. So if you take evil, if you take one of this and give him, he might come back and tell me when me and him chase.
And I lie now. Cause I intend for you. But you counting money like a pro though. So sister-in-law, you can teach me how to make some of the money too.
Listen.
So you laugh, girl.
Listen. You're fat already. So you have to go and relax over yourself. You see them a work here. When me go overseas to make this money. A gangster work me go over there go do. Them a work here, you're not ready for them a work here, my friend. So you have to go and see over there so with the fatness. You see, I'm get stomach
No,
right now.
me tell you no. I'm not going to stop calling me fat, you know. Because my belly not even grow it out now call me fat. What I'm doing, no?
See? You need to wait for your time. I don't go breathe. You would have make some of them money right now. Let me say you would have make some of them. Smell them. Smell them there. Smell them there. Smell. Oh, I'm not that you. The 200,000 they're good. You can start it off. And if you have sense, you see the 300,000 there, you start a small business with part of it. And use the rest and go buy up some things, see baby. And you see when you look at junker come, you tell him so you want money. You understand? Cause me no know what you see him from when?
No, you know, you not even call me. I check up on me
Remember you
everything.
see him from when?
Me not see him from when.
Me like a super
Funny
cute.
one time me see him, me not see him back.
Me
Funny
like a-
one time he call me out or something, me not see him back.
Oh. When the one time he call you, you know see him back.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. So take the money I go show him no. Take the money I go show him. Me fix on the business. Anyways, you know. Me dey on a little mission now, you understand? Because somebody owe me some money. And I said, me good thing me dey pull on this. Cause if me ever tell her what go on, you open up your eye them. But anyways, I say Cynthia a while ago, you know. And me know you feel that way. Or maybe nothing have to feel no way. But me not bash about you see it, you should have wait for your time for true. You know?
I know,
But
man.
it don't happen already. So there is nothing I can do about it. And you worse can't do nothing about it. Cause me don't want you having your head set. You go dash with the belly there again, you know.
By the way, including somebody go tell mommy about it. I'm there to deny it to mommy. And your mommy tell me say, you want to carry me to a doctor. So check if me really pregnant. But still, when you call me for come for your money, do you want to talk to you about something still? You know?
Tina, what you want to talk to me about? Tina, talk up no man.
Girl, me know something done cost me for already, you know. But me know mommy go find out about it. So including what come to my mind, me let him go for dash about it.
Give me back my money.
For what?
Tina, listen to me. Me not depend on fitness side. Give me back my money. Come, thank you very much. Give it to
See
me.
what I rather mommy kill me?
What? Listen to me. It go, you see, me think, you see your mother going like he's sick, you know, but he not really sick of me, you know. I should become, me know, have my brother, you know, trouble, you know. Come on, just go down high station and go tell them, say, she want your dash with the belly, cause since as a mother want paint bad picture for my brother, and even though me him can't agree, me now go turn up and watch nobody bring down my brother. You get what me I say? Cause it's a blood that same way. Here and blood thicker than water. So me we go down high station and go tell them, say, she want your dash with the belly. I make my brother and just ship on my brother one part. And take care of your same way with the belly and make sure you get locked up. So listen to me. Cause remember, you know, me rich, you know. So me don't want to play with me, you know. You hear me I tell you? Oh. So you listen. It's either you give me back the money or I go start to look at business. Me tell you if you start and take care of the put the things out. Me tell you if you go take
Me
care of.
gonna start a business if I start. But still, you know, I never mommy they tell me for dash way, you know. I just really want to do it because me don't want she keep going to the doctor and find out.
Listen to me. If she carry down her doctor and find out, come back and tell me. You see if you even mention say he want you to dash your belly, me I go show you how rich me be. Me say I go show you how rich me be. Just listen up. Take your money and go on normal with it. Cause come like say hold on no chick from what day, you know. Oh, but then take your money and go on. Hold on there. Hold on there. Shh. Yo! My bad friend. Eh? How will you now say? So I want to hear, bro. I want to hear say. So me have money. Listen. Me no worry yourself, you. Me I could come buy one back right now. No worry yourself. A matter of fact, hold on. Me can't deal with the back there now. Me soon talk to him. Nothing me can. If I not me nine night. Think me a idiot. Me a business girl here. I'm a streetwise. You hear what I know? Yes, me have money and me come buy much back down there. Then I think me a idiot. Right now, me a work man for go pay. And for your man, you walk is like a dog. Hello? Yes, ma'am. Yes, you have won the sweepstakes. Yes, you win the sweepstakes, miss. Yes, ma'am. And a brand new Mercedes Benz. Yes, ma'am. You win 3.5 million. Yes, miss. Yes. You can, listen, you can call back this number when you're finished and let me know when you deliver. Yes, the money, miss. The money. Okay. How do you do? Bye bye. Joking this. I chop food for our here. Yeah. Yeah, 260.
Actually, I've already decided. I'm staying.
Don't tell me no anything. Go and sit down. Sit down. Come here. Where smell some? Where they come from?
I come from over sweetie for
Before me ask you where they come from. When me tell you say when me live out of the yard.
You tell me if the yard.
So me come back and stay in the yard?
No.
Where they come from?
Shop. Cause Jasmine asked for buy sweetie for her.
Why you never bring her with you? So long. Me there so about 45 minutes. Two sweetie you left to go and shop go buy. I which part of the shop there? I saw you go Moby her way.
No. I got see my friend up the road, so cause she
Which
called
friend?
to me.
She who? Who you call she? Patrol town she? Where you come from? A patrol you go to one and tell me that?
No, mommy.
Listen to me. I'm a tough up. Hold on there. Wait. Where you get money from? Watch out. Hold on.
Whoa.
Penny. You are $2,000.
Hi.
Not even in Jamaican in the US. Where you get it from? You working?
No, mommy.
And even if you did already, then they go give you so much money. You know, say 300. Jesus Christ.
Mommy, I find me funny.
Hold on. Let me see. Wait, 1,000 US or 150 Jamaican. Jesus, 150,000. So, at 300. How much is that? You know how much money this?
300,000.
300 what? Me not know it look like me a mistake.
Mommy, tell you, say I find.
If 1,150,000 Jamaican, 200 US how much? 2 times that hour. 3 what?
300,000.
Tell me the truth, where you get it from?
Mommy, tell you, say I find me funny.
Find it where? Who's
the road
somebody
and them
lucky in a demo time yeah?
Mommy.
A crisis are gone, everything raised. Nobody now last not even $1 Jamaican much as figure last. So much
Mommy,
in
there's
the
a lot
US.
of people last money.
So much money?
Yeah.
How you so lucky if you go find the people them money? Well, you're not getting it back. You're not getting it back. Me need to go find out who for money. Me want to know if a thief you thiefy or you start sell your body.
Mommy, me not do that. Mama.
Want back fish money?
Tada. So you want right?
Next thing, you leave Jasmine alone in the house. But she look about ramen. Ramen burn up. Suppose we make the little girl. Jesus, peace.
Could have gone down the house.
Unalive herself in the chat about burn down house. Suppose we make the little girl unalive herself. Me no problem.
But mommy, me talk to her before me leave. Me tell her I said do not trouble nothing in the house and do not go around us so. Cause she asked me for look about it and me say when time I come back me look about it for her.
You see you? You just a big fool, stupid and dumb. Me tell her say nothing left the yard. Jasmine how much? If she hungry and you text her along for buy 2 sweetie, you know must know say she will do something where she not supposed to do. A matter of fact, she not even fi have lighter, she not fi grow on stove. A cylinder that with gas. Flammable. A problem that day. Could have take her life. Thank God it not happen. And you left so long to go buy 2 stupid. Give me. You not get it. 2 stupid sweetie. 2 sweetie.
Mommy, I tell me something I get it when time I not feel me
And
hate.
she beg you buy the sweetie or you trick her to go buy sweetie.
And she beg me to
Because
buy.
you want go to who you want go to her way. You think me stupid? I soon find out where you get this from. Don't worry yourself. By the hook or the crook, I must find out where you get it from. And this sweetie will not go down your throat.
Mommy.
No, mommy me. You're not paying billionaire. And don't shout out for me. You is not the mother. Me they pay the bills them in this. You're under my roof and you're underage. Me I come out of the yard. Don't me start shout now and girl and get mad in here and lick you down. Me I come out of the yard and me tell you if you stay in the house. Stay in the house. Tidy up your place. And give Jasmine something to eat. And this I do. And I come mommy me, I should have just shut your back.
For me give her something to eat
If
before
you
me
give
left
her
fire.
something to eat, or she likes to burn up all the ramen and nearly
Mommy,
burn up
cause
the
she
place.
always hungry.
Always hungry.
You know, hear and tell every time she a complain. Me hungry.
I know you're not dealing with it, right? Stop praising your voice after your mother. You and your mother no size. You stop spare the rod and spare the child. You use the rod manner that she understand.
Me, not spare no rather and spoil no child. And just because she is 16, me no want that, abuse her and sitting there. Something I can involve police and lock up and one if I sitting. Like more than can lock me up and she out there. They do all kind of thing worse when me gone to jail.
Ivy,
You don't know that?
You know want have to make she bite off your ears.
Them.
Cause you not raise her right. Remember to tell all the parents tell we. Don't spare the rod and spoil the child. Cause you don't tell her she not here when you talk to her.
You see where make her happen right so now?
Mommy, me not
You
make
see the
no
foolishness where you make her happen right so like say me no grow you up properly.
Mommy, me a talk to you about the way you don't
When
want
you talk
listen
to me, say a pure lie you tell.
You see,
I don't
and
believe
that's how I tell.
you will not get back this. I must find out where you get it from. Get a friend in front of me and go in the room go clean up in there. Me come here nasty now what? Me come back and see play walk and wheel. Wait, I slam go. Wait, Tina, come here to me. Come here.
What's the attitude?
Come here. What is the problem?
No problem, mommy.
Come right here, so. Miss Big Woman, what is your problem?
No problem.
Oh, you don't have no problem. Me dey talk to you and you really walk on the wheel and the wind up like a big woman and slam door in my face.
Mommy, me not slam the door.
Oh, me deaf. I mean, I say good.
Mommy, me just use my hand and push the door.
Hold on there. You a big woman. What you do? Move your hand. Let me tell you something. I don't pick up for you, no. And I'm not sorry for you, but me no want, I just damage me no want damage your brain and go to prison. I chew your father gone. Run me gone. And me no want to go stress you out, and he lick them when me go give you. Go in the house.
Ivy, I see him, so you have to turn up strong pan them, you know? Can them go up on your back and ride you?
Take this.
But where she get them kind of money from? A man, you know? They tell you about the
I go and find out.
him.
I go and find out. No worry
They
yourself.
tell you.
Not even put it on my skin, because I must see all some curse money.
Lord
Me don't know where they get it from. If a thief, then thief, or the little girl, or sell her body or whatever.
And I must sell. You know, so she a roll with patrol. A thief in thief, the money man. 1,000, tell himself get that. No bother with it, man. You know where the money come from.
Babe. You know what I think right now? Right now, I think if I send her a cops. What do you think about that? What you think me should I do? Send her a cops?
Ivy. Then the place. Me not tell you what to do, you know. But me did grow up with a young girl in the lane, right? Sarah. And she did bad, you know. You see when she did for her mother send her girl cops, she did bad. She did a little cut so. You see when she come out, Jaja, that turned cold sore, boil all in a one. So you see the cops? Sometimes you send them out a frying pan in a fire. I can't tell you what to do, you know. But why you not try church?
She always got church, you know, but she stop.
What make?
She had talk about the people them too boring in a church and one if sitting and find all kind of excuse. You know they stay when they reach certain age.
No, man. Ivy, I have to blame you for this, you know. You're the mother. And me tell you, say you're soften up on her.
Sure.
And them TikTok and social media foolishness I broke out the people them now, you know.
Well, me not think TikTok broke out nobody, you know. And them go on TikTok with them dirty bad ways. They were already bad. TikTok can't get up and do nobody nothing. And people go on there with them dirty bad ways and they do bad stuff where they're not supposed to do.
And that, you know, see, hey, you see when them young girls go on TikTok, a pair broke out, and a skin out, and a shake out, and a pair picnic. And the social media, because they want to go viral. If you take with the phone, man, and make sure go back to church.
But you know what? You know, say Pastor Granville always tell me if still send them come to church. But you see, she no want go. Just a little one want go to church all the while. She no want go no tall. But guess what? You see, as from this Sunday, me go make she start go back to church.
Yes. Because you are the mother, and she had the picnic, she had try to rule you. That's your do, yes?
Me understand. Thank you, babe. Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
I could have come back and see place burn down. And the little girl could have lose her life. Thank you very much.
Oh, God. We have to stick together, you know. We have to stick together. Come see, see, yeah, try. And when we go in an Auntie Patsy's shop, the spirit tell me to just turn around and look. You see when me turn around and look, I see that. I take her off like Shelly Ann. I said, no, sir. You have to phone you. I know see the baby inside.
Thank you, man.
All right, me gone. Yeah? Remember,
Yes.
it's in our church.
Yeah, well, good. Thanks.
Whoa! Say, pull back.
Good evening, give me a moment now.
Where they do want me get all dirty cruff? Eh? You not think?
A minute on.
You know, sister, me not like you. Me not want you on me gate neither. Me not want have nothing to do with you. Where they do want me gate? Where you want?
Behave like that now, sit more explain to you.
Explain. Me look like me want somebody like you fi explain nothing to me.
Come in.
Me and know your ma move from me gate.
Yeah, calm down now, man. Where you behave so far?
Me no want you on me gate.
I want to you. Stop behave like that now.
Me no want you on me gate. Me no want have nothing to do with you. So me no want hear nothing from you.
Listen me, man. You all can't tell me about me a thief like the people in my community. You know, but me tell you this.
Then you're not thief.
You see, one day, in this future, yeah, in this life, yeah, and me, the community, everybody got try run to when time I make it here.
Which life?
My mama say me tell you that.
Which lifetime?
And that really,
But no want nothing from you.
and that really come and
Oh,
tell you still.
community,
You
I
know.
come-
You see me? More you listen to me, I have to tell you
Me
because
no want
it's
hear nothing
important.
from you. Go on about your business. Me no want to see this a bike on me gate. Who to tell if I no thief bike? Go on.
So you say now you're not.
You don't have nothing to tell me. No who to tell if I not you see me on the veranda, you can't do it and style where you're sitting to tell me. And my daughter, you take time come for. You never know, say me there here.
Thing
Every
good,
minute
man.
she tell you say me gone. Well, I check her this time.
Thing good, man.
Go on from me gate.
Normal prayer.
Move from me gate. Move. Wait. Who call you?
Me hear you out here, custom, I wonder what happened.
How that concern you? You think you're smarter than me?
So, Mummy, if you
You
say...
stay in there and a spy. And I look through your window and they listen to me and see the man where they hide and they with out here so. Eh? So you come out here, if you come here hour. Take care of yourself. Move!
Mummy, wait.
Move! Little girl. You know something I send you a cops door. You know something ever tell me something enough is send you but me just say think right now. Something if you send you. God. I beg you. Answer my prayer them. Because that little girl you want mad me. Little girl, you know something I'm sending you cops? Come here to me, come here. Close the door and come here. Carry the chair, come up here, so take out the bag. Sit down. Little girl.
Yes, Mummy.
You know what I'm saying? I go send you cops. Yeah, that me say. I go send you girls home.
Mummy.
Because me now make you send up my blood pressure. You know what they call pitney like who know? Delinquent. You have the heart to make that little dirty butterfoot boy that just come on my gate. That means you innocent man, the two innocent.
Mummy, we don't know.
Hey, so look here. You see early Monday morning. Me I carry a doctor. You hear what me say?
Yes, Mummy.
Cause me want to know if me a judge you wrongfully or you a tell me lie. Because you think you're smarter than me. Like a crayfish brain girl and me bring your company so. And me carry you so for 9 months. Your brain not big enough for me, you're not smarter than me. You might know how to hide and do your little foolishness them and think of me a can and yourself you can. You cannot trick me. Remember that. You hear me? So prepare to go a doctor Monday morning early. Can I realize you no cure me till you come out of the yard? You're still gone. So the one little time when you're standing in the yard, the few little hours, you show me say you stay. But you're not smart, you're making income. Okay. We are going to see who run things in this. Me, I go see who run things in this. Also you are going to see. Think you're smart. You're not clever yet, my love. So prepare for Monday morning. One inside.
Hey, Mommy.
Tina! What the fuck? Come here.
Mommy.
Come here.
Yes, Mommy.
Look on the dresser. Yes, me put on $1,000 in there. 1 feet and come back. I send you a shop. What money do you miss never? They can't sit down with you like a yours. Oh. Here now. Me need you to go a shop, go buy 3 pounds of the best dressed chicken back. And 2 pounds of rice. With a bottle of cooking oil, the small one. Come here, tell you where money can buy. And listen to me. If you make me spit a ground and it dry before you come back, your days are go what?
Over.
Which over? Your days are go bitter.
Mommy, why don't you use US them way next so Mommy tell that chicken back.
Something wrong with you. Come if you use US them in this one buy.
Mommy, they could have buy chicken.
Really? You see you? Me not trouble that the money there. Me not use it. Because me don't know if a thief or where you get it from. Me no want if you use. You understand me? So take it off of your mind and come go on and shop.
Okay, Mommy.
Where back there?
Mommy, you can just buy a bag of shop. Mommy don't bag the day in the house, Mommy. So
Alright.
mother buy one a shop.
Go on. Make sure you say no walk with this thing.
Yes, Mommy. Miss Patsy, Miss will come back and buy the rest of stuff here.
Alright.
Alright. Yeah, Renee. Girl, I'm not want to come from a shop. Yeah, we support talk about that. One time we reach out, we kind of talk about that. Anyways, you good? Yeah, girl, me there. No, sir. Anyways, alright, we are still going for this now. Yeah, we have village. We have a rusty nail, plus the bachelage and rat poison, and a Pepsi. Renee, you sure so this will get reliable? Girl, you sure? It work for you? Girl, alright, where's what I want? We tell you. Yeah. Mommy, I can't go doctor Monday. Can't afford for she find out. Said we pregnant, you know. Boy, I want to put myself in a god. I'm going to take myself go to shop now.
I'm in for the ride, baby. You and I got history. Are we meant to be, or is it all a lie? Read between the lines, and this ain't it. Ain't how it's supposed to be. No, you're not that I want it, but I can feel your vibe. You keep pulling, pushing on me. All this time I sacrifice, but you want it when you want it. It's only when it's right for you.
Mommy!
I just get this feeling that I'm meant to date. I just got this feeling you gon' take and leave. I just got this feeling you don't say what you mean.
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah? Dada! Jesus! Oh! Jesus face! Me daughter! Me daughter, what happened to you? What happened to you? Oh, Jesus Christ! Oh, wait. Somebody call the ambulance. Oh, God, wait.
I don't feel ready for this. I want to go back to school. I want to have a job. I want to get money. Brother.
Somebody like you
Money, I'll
like
get
that.
all of that, man.
Good
That you
enough
worry
to
about.
blame you for
You look more than ready.
couple of volumes and fixing your heart.
Girl.
Oh, God. No.
Nobody got you like I did when you left just to find you.
Hello?
Losing
Oh,
yourself
God.
in
No.
calling.
My daughter, please. No. Don't give up. Oh, God. Oh, my God. I'll call the ambulance. Oi. Hello? My daughter. What? All blood. Oh, God. Oi. Hello? Please, can you come on? I'm to the road. When you reach at the cash pot, please, my daughter. Something wrong with my daughter. I don't know what to do her. She unconscious. I don't know what to do her. She not breathing or nothing. Yes, all blood. Me see her come out. Wait. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, all right. Thanks. Jesus Christ. Boy, my daughter. Tina, my daughter. You know something I love you, you know? I love you not when me say me not me. Oh, God. Oh, get up, please. I'm sorry about everything. Oh, anything that happened to you, you can't explain and tell me. I'm going to listen, please. Just tell me, talk to me. Wake up.
I try to cope, but I can't keep it to myself. Ooh, no, I cry. You call my name because you know there's no use. 'Cause when you look in my eyes and it's so cold, turn around on your knees, take the pain just to feel.
Dr. Gawood,
Hello, how you doing?
not so good, sir.
Ah, boy.
I just want to check up on my daughter to know if she go come out. And next thing I want to know if you think she go make it.
Mrs. Brown, your daughter will make it. Right? As we speak, she's in stable condition right now. We at Omega Medical Hospital, we are well trained doctors here. So you don't need to worry. You need not to worry. It's just that she needs some more time. We need more time rather to get that poison out of her system.
Okay.
So please don't worry, man. Your daughter is in good hands.
But I couldn't sleep last night, doctor. I pray, me ball. So till I'm there worry about. Because remember, say I'm one daughter. I don't know if I go have no more kids, sir.
You see, nothing is wrong with praying and nothing is wrong with crying. Right?
So doctor,
Yeah.
can I ask you something, please? Sorry.
Yes.
She start eat anything?
No, not as yet.
So she still having the drip and stuff?
Yes. So just give it a few more days. Right? Yeah,
Okay.
man. 3 more days and she'll be out of the hospital. Okay?
Okay, so you
Yeah,
said
man.
she will get discharged in 3 days'
3
time.
days time.
All right, thank you, sir.
Yeah, man. I'm going home now because I worked last night, you know?
All right, thanks.
Yes,
I try to cope, but I can't keep it to myself. Ooh, no, I cry. You call my name because you know there's no use. 'Cause when you look in my eyes and it's so cold, turn around on your knees, take the pain just
Jaja. Can't believe some little friend in the hospital. How could I go on? Say we gonna find out. See if somebody do or nothing. God go with them. Why, Father God, do me not lose my little niece or my little nephew. Because I don't know I'm to some people from what they know. Come like them if you got some of my dirty money. They not even know what I do to them if just calm down myself, yeah, man. They see right now. Miss Ivy! Me coming!
Fam,
Miss Ivy.
that's all what my name so loud. I mean, I answer till they say me I come. I did in my bathroom and be. They can't just wait.
Miss Ivy, it's not a matter of wait, you know. I see through me as a business woman. I have things to deal with. I still take a little time to go and find out what I go on with my friend Tina. You understand? So where you see they go on now, Miss Ivy? What really they go on? Cause boy. You know, so me hear the ambulance and I know so I saw it come. Ah man, but things are going on Gideon and look how long it take to reach me years. See a Tina ambulance come for. Miss Ivy, what really go on?
Yes, sir. Listen to me. My daughter in a serious condition. I know nothing normal. The doctor said they find poison inside her and they have to try wash it out her system. And I didn't know that Tina did pregnant.
Pregnant?
Yes.
So, sir. You sure Dr. Manasi good or what I mean by Tina pregnant?
You know better go there. Because you see that the hospital there, where she there? You hear her name? And I best in her waist. You hear her name?
What name?
Omega Hospital. It's on the beach road, Norman Manley Boulevard in a Negril, if you never know. Alright, they should be a good doctor them. Best doctor in the West. You hear me I tell you? If me never go there before, I would make my daughter there. Me not tell no lie. Me say, from you enter the reception, the receptionist, you know already they call it assistants. Them talk to you so nice. Customer service there, Omega Hospital, and them pay attention to the patient, them good. Them a take care of her.
Miss Ivy, no disrespect. Me not really want to know about the people them at the
But me tell you what
hospital
happened
right
to her
now.
already.
Listen to
You
Miss
didn't know-
Ivy.
You didn't know about it? Or you come use
No, Miss Ivy, me not know say Tina pregnant. Me I say as a real friend where you have, you know make nobody know say you're pregnant. And that me I talk about. And then at the end of the day, me need to find out who put poison in drink. And that me come.
At the end of the day, me when they wonder if you know about what happened to my daughter because of your friend, I remember say me never want she talk to you no tal.
Hold on
And be no friend with you.
Hold on.
Because you all feel not tell me if you hold on. You come and me at the halot. Miss Ivy like me and your friend and you and my daughter friend, me and no friend. My daughter friend is not my
Miss
friend.
Ivy, my name can't touch me in my face, Miss Ivy.
And where you go do? I get
Me no, Miss Ivy, me nah dear no. Miss Ivy, you know me respect you.
Miss Ivy, me not quarreling no, but you know as a mother, me go feel upset and talk one kind of way to you. Where some me never want she be no friend with you. Then this go happen to her. And me they believe say you know you should have come to me and tell me as her mother. But you not say nothing to me. No, it look like you don't know about it. You couldn't come ask me.
Miss Ivy, you still make me feel want me. Miss Ivy could like a ball or but Miss Ivy, you see Miss Ivy, you see anytime me get stomach, a ball, me go ball no. Miss Ivy, imagine my friend in hospital, you tell me say, member say me not too this, me not too like, me not too. Miss Ivy, sometimes I have to cool man, Miss Ivy man. I have to cool man.
Wait, hold on there. So me ask you a question. So you never know that she's pregnant?
No, Miss Ivy.
And you say your best friend. So oh you don't know that? No, you see the reason why me have to talk to you so hard, all when I no cuss me they cuss you, but me feel away if you know say me own a daughter. Just drop down in front of me and me see pure blood that spit out her mouth. And her best friend don't know about it.
You see it, that for sure, Miss Ivy say, listen. Me is not a bad company. Because, check your ration now, Miss Ivy. You see, same like how Tina and tell us certain things, I see him where Tina and tell me.
That mean you're not no best friend.
Eh? I'm my best friend, but probably you don't want to tell me because you know me go tell him the right thing. And Miss Ivy, if Tina never my best friend, right? When Tina check me what day, more to give her so much US. Eh? Remember me rich, you know, Miss Ivy.
Okay. So are you?
Yeah, Miss Ivy.
Give her so much money?
Yeah, me give her much money, Miss Ivy. And the next thing to Miss Ivy, me not cut you. But me have to talk this too. You can't too hard pan girl pitney. You can't too hard for the little girl, Miss Ivy. Me I tell you saying you can't too soft, you can't too hard. You get what me I say?
And my daughter, she not supposed to tell me no lie. You know where she tell me say she get the money from? You know she tell me how she come by it? Say I find she find it. Then if she always a tell me lie, how me I go soft on her?
So Miss Ivy,
when she a tell me the truth, how me I believe like that? So if you never thought no me would know say you she get the money from. What hard in that? She could have said my friend give me.
Miss Ivy, that's what I tell you, you can't too hard for the little girl, Miss Ivy. Actually, because you're hard for her, she afraid to tell her the truth and afraid to talk to you enough. Man, Miss Ivy, where you see her go now?
The only thing what me I say now is if you want to go up at Omega Hospital go look for her, you can go and go visit her and carry something for her.
So, what time of visiting time?
You know, when I nurse tell me say 1 o'clock and 6 o'clock in the evening.
1 o'clock and 6 o'clock in the
1
evening.
o'clock in the day, 6 o'clock in the evening. You can go any one of them.
Miss Ivy, put everything aside. How far is it coming out? Eh? Miss Ivy, you sure say I not tin mackerel feeding pan over the car?
Oi. Nobody pass your place with me. Cause you start calling me Ivy, they like me and your size. Nobody with it. Just make me stay normal and cool and just talk. Here?
Miss
As
Ivy.
two individual writers. So we are talking about for your friend and my daughter. Just deal with that part.
Miss Ivy, the reason why I ask her that you know if they kill me no tin mackerel over there now because Tina tell me saying tired that chicken back and in tired that tin food them. That's a suckles me give me money what they you know. Say figure we call it there. Say figure buy some groceries. You understand? And bear in mind, me never know say she pregnant, so but I feel say me give money for the belly. And you are tell me say she pregnant. But from what them a tell me say chicken back them boy. You tell me say never chicken back them till they come like in
so you and her a whole conversation about where we eat or we had. I say you come down. Try to figure out what people name from where they don't name and you know that chat about. Let me ask you something. You never eat in mackerel yet. Before you start whole money in your hand for the con one like a Miss Labrish Queen.
No, me never name tin mackerel. You know what kind of mackerel me eat?
They live lavish, like I say, yeah, this and yeah, that. So true because we have to name the tin mackerel and we have to name the chicken, but that means say what? Listen to me. Not a tin mackerel no do or nothing. Me the name tin mackerel from me in our grandmother belly. That I in my mother belly. And nothing no do it until the day me and name tin mackerel. Nothing no do her with no tin mackerel. Something else happen.
Then Miss Ivy. Something else happen. What happen, Miss Ivy?
Them say one dangerous poison in our body, what they call rodenticide. Yes. I want dangerous chemical. So it's in our blood and them a try to get it out our system. It's very serious, it's dangerous. Right now, she on that drip. Drip, you know that same thing there with the buckle and it come down with the pan the hanya. One big old long needle in the hanya and be tie up and bandage. But they all put sitting in our nose and it gone around here so me not even know what. Me see doctor take off one sitting off and he set it so and it come down here so and in the test under here so and sitting. But the heart normal but
man.
Serious, listen, I want serious condition, Sheena. What do you call it?
So who could have poisoned Tina?
Me no know. Only God know. But me pray and
Miss Ivy, here we go now. Miss Ivy, here we go now. Take it easy.
In the name of Jesus.
Take it easy, Miss Ivy. Where's you right now? Me have some errands to go run. But before me run the errands, Miss Ivy. You sure say a poison they find in our system? You sure say no blow they send pan him, hope him. Miss Ivy, so they have to check out up in there, Miss Ivy, so they have to geared up. You understand? Because some more while people not like you And true, they don't like you. They send it for your picnic, so you have to guard up Miss Ivy. And, Miss Ivy, I look for me, so.
You idiot. The doctor say I want dangerous, toxic poison in her body. What me just say? Dangerous, toxic poison in her body. Them study medical. How they tell me I go off. You no believe in too much hobia. You know. Everything a hobia. What you mean? What you just say? Eh? If you know you had to know hobia, you know foot had to know, no hear that to know everything a hobia. Eh? Oi. That the poison they dangerous. The doctor say I want dangerous substance find in a rat poison. Yes.
Fuck, say, Miss Ivy. No, man. You're showing a leptospirosis, doctor tell us, like, Miss Ivy, what you mean if you tell me say a bear right there over your yard? You're not clean out a place? No, man, Miss Ivy, if you want bigger man, you need to clean out the rat them. Because I don't understand you tell me, you come and start tell me now, say, they find one dangerous substance in a, where even not said to me? Because where they say? Miss Ivy, you need to clean out the place, man. You need to do better than that, man, Miss Ivy. And leptospirosis, I want to tell me, and then you go tell me about substance.
You figure out where you talk to? Listen to me. Me just a simple tell you where the doctor say you chat about rat full up over me yard. Well, like how you use the rat poison. Come, let me set you over me yard to kill out the rat. Then you damn face be out order.
Miss Ivy, you are going now. I need to go run one errands, and you see, you would have come like my mother. You see, just go on in, Miss Ivy, go on in.
You can't tell me if you go on in and me get me there.
Miss Ivy, go on in, Miss Ivy.
Alright, thank you for coming and check up on my daughter. Go on. Alright, sir.
Miss Ivy, Miss Sue, come here.
You dear me need favor rainstorm. Make sure you say hurry up, go look for your friend. 1 o'clock or 6 o'clock. Remember, say me tell you.
Yo, bossy, yo, can't come in work today, you know. Mean so I make yo, them in here say, baby mother the hospital, man. I mean, and right now, I grieve about that, you know. Yeah. People ain't tell me saying drop down, man. I wonder how that happened. And why that happened. Yeah, bossy. Right now, yeah, so I can't move right now, and I can't come down the same. So if you want to see me, boss, you have to come up and come link me, you know. You see me? Right now, things not going good at any time. Me find out a which boy or girl do that. Boss, you know my style, you know. A problem of dirt. 6 foot 6. Here. My mom tell him, I'm up on the corner, man, so come give me a link. I can't move right now. Right now, I'm just there so with a hot cliff right now. Well hot, overheat hot. But for sure, you see a whole heap of grabber. I'm craving in there yet. Anytime I find out how, my mom tell him, man, problem here. Alright, father. Sorry for you talk to you so loud, still no disrespect, but you don't know. The anger will go in a man because my mom's that, you see me? Alright, normal, pretty code. Don't need long talking. Say, youth, so watch how I go on, man. Anytime I find out who do this to my woman, youth, a problem. Father God, in blue sky over my head, you know. Come on there, start talk about them youth. Come on, youth, so some company we youth and you know, make a deal with them nice and good youth and some people are trying to grow on me thing. Anytime I find out who do that. Yo, sorry about that. Yo, me say yo, anytime I find out, man, a problem in this village. Youth, some people are trying to grow on man thing youth. Yo, you see all the one Ivy, you better make sure say in this her put her hand on her. Remember me tell her that. And if response, she are no mother right now to a thing set. That me I make them know. So what you go on, man. Upliftment man want do. And then people are come and put man on the next road youth. Yo man, youth. Alright man. Show them who is spot much less whole. What you go on like this.
Look how man all here say them I go love badness youth. And me youth I go born. Me say me I go steal from trouble, steal from people, bad mind and wicked, and then still I can't try. But draw me out. That's why they go do my woman that. It's alright. It's alright. Thing good here. No see.
Yeah man, as what me I say bro, I've got to put off that work there till next week, cause it's one of my staff them now, my main staff. Him kinda in want look a phrase I know. He might try to go through some depression things. I don't know what way, man. He may go check right now. Yeah bro, I don't like say the place I go run. The place is the same way, you know. So that can deal with any time, bro. So I dog me I go check on one. See if it all good and everything. Alright, that's the road. Yo, Patrol, what you deal with? Me and Eureka, biggest staff.
And
Come check up on your well-being, you know?
Yeah, I'm there in a bossy.
So let's see how go on now.
Right now, me say them poison me out, you know. Poison me baby mother, you know. And I ramp them people I ramp with my future in a bossy. And right now, you know my style, you know.
I lie you tell.
Yeah, it means say lie me I tell. So me say them poison baby mother. So from them poison baby mother, now me out them poison.
No man. Your youth are going to come out alright. Your youth are going to good, man. By the hands of God, your youth are going to good. Everything are going to be alright, man. Then me on my block and say me have to go and check your well-being, you know. And find out if everything good. But that's a little simple thing. That's not how to fret about, not worry about it. You have to just hope and pray say everything alright. Because I remember the day when you tell me say condom bust, you know. And your lady get pregnant, you know. You did happy and so proud of that situation there, you know. So everything will go alright, man.
I know, bossy. You don't even know how I feel right now. Right now, them people are ramp with my future, you know. And my future, this will come right now. For me start my future right way, and them people are ramp with my future, you know. You see me, bossy, me I tell you, anytime me find out who, you know my style, I have to tell you.
The dirt, man, dirt.
Straight dirt and nothing can get for splurt. Here.
Man.
Different.
Shake with that, man. Shake with that.
Madness youth. If you poison a baby mother. That wrong, brother. All the creator. No. So in my whole that. You have to chain him up.
True, man. Yo, anybody do that still, you know, wicked, you know, man. They deserve to get it still, you know.
No. They no wicked a bad man, them bad man and cruel. Me! I go show them wicked, bossy.
Them deserve to get it, man. No jokes. So hold on. You sure say a poison them poison or?
Yo, bossy. That me there some maths, you know. Because his mama want liar piece of woman in a youth. I can thump her in her belly down there, you know. And I walk and tell him friend them about how he poison her because she know say if I go reach back in the car patrol, my name in her friend reach on the street, you have to reach me ears, that's it. And she know. You see me? So anytime I find out she a grown, she a try grow on me. Me I tell you.
Treasure youth. Rough youth. Can't believe youth.
Wickedest mother-in-law me ever meet at youth. I tell you youth, Ivy. Boy named Ivy. I can think of my Ivan. Yo, just...
Ivy sound wicked because Ivy needs to Ivan Storm. You know what's time when you Ivan?
Ivan, you talk about Ivan near to envy. You hear? Hey, actually, you don't even know youth. Just remember me tell you, man.
Really pay, man, because you're one of my main staff, you know, man. Right, and you know, my biggest staff, you know. But now say no to nothing, you know.
Bad man, joke them a joke with me thing here, bossy. And your sister me stay far from people. Worse, me I try to start my family and now. You hear? Family. Me youth, bossy. And the woman they doing one that to that we can try. If you mash me down in life, brother. Bossy, my line up two things for me, you know. You hear?
Like what, sir?
Tall things like how me tell up on the phone see around here right now. Man, tall like this. Look funny. Want the machine in tall like this.
Alright, now see I heard.
You hear? What me
I
say?
heard.
Want the machine in tall like this, bossy. Alright now. Maybe in a bag of long talking, the kind more me talk, I grieve for me I get, you know. But you see man voice changing the bossy. You know, see man really hurt, you know.
No,
Yeah.
way them, man. Anybody would have heard. No, tell a lie.
Brother, you know you're a teen in hospital.
Hey, me there say talk to bossy boy. Alright now me grieve, you know, sis.
Yeah, what going on? You see, cause right now, me need me have to go move now. Cause 1 o'clock visiting and me need to go out there. Me have to buy some things and carry gear. And you are going to know, you need to go up there too. And you know, me not have to tell you where you need to go up there for. You understand?
Yo, sis, I don't even know you. Say,
Oh, hold on. In case you don't have money, so 1 3 bills.
nah man, praise this man. Yo. Bossy.
Hey, oh.
Bossy, how can I style like bossy?
Yo, me a come go up on the road, you know. Me a knock you.
You know the right thing, man.
Me a make you think they reach you.
Yeah, cause me have to go up to hospital now, you see me? Go and do the right thing. Bossy,
Eh?
how you look for my sister, so?
Then me can't like your sister. You make it look like say you can't like your sister. Me a go up on the ends. Me a make one of them think they reach you. So yo, one of them money, you know.
Bossy, this have to spend for the mans, man. You know when thing come down, man, me have 2 more to make when I drop them in my hand money, you know, see.
Alright, lend me one.
Levels of it up, you see?
Lend me one.
Bossy, not even that kind of night right now.
Why, I'm staff for the youth, me so.
Bossy, you know the situation I'm in right now. Oh, bossy, I pray my sister, so.
Bombado star. I saw you boy sister rich.
Yo. Bossy said me can't like my sister. Oh, bossy said that. Thing good still.
About $1 million that in a US, you know. No, sir, I have a dream, me a dream. That can't real. Backside I no dream. I no dream that. When sister do with so much money? Alright, now see I heard. Now see I heard. Me know what me go do.
I mean, man, what you say? Rich and talk. No, do that, man. Right now, no, it's not the time to beg me no money. Me not no money to give nobody. Yeah. Cause right now, right now, my niece or my little never in somebody belly right now. I battle for life. So let me tell you, listen, so when you talk to me, better tell me say I saw more money to give me. Me not no money to give nobody right now. Yeah. No.
Where are you so much money?
Don't shoot me. Don't.
No, give me money. You know we are ramp with. So much money I buy you. Hey, I boss
No.
in here, you know. Hey.
Hey boy. If you lucky see you stick me up here, boy. Alright, watch you go on. Cause you don't even know how to just start. Watch you go on. I don't mean to know. Watch you go on. Miss Ivy! Miss Ivy, come here, I want to talk to you.
Oh, you know hear about the gunshot them? Eh? You hear about the gunshot them?
So Miss Ivy,
Why you hear yourself?
Miss Ivy, I then just fire off now.
How you?
And me then just shoot off. Rob me money and shoot off for me.
No, go so. You know weapon you can't take gunshot, you must be crazy. Are you bitch?
Miss Ivy, and me then just...
So you're not going to report it to the police?
Report what?
A serious situation this is?
Report what? We were just start.
Yeah.
We were just, eh?
You have gun?
Miss Ivy, where me get gun from?
So you mean they were just start like you ready to go fight people with a gun? What's wrong with you?
Where me forget gun from? Is a principal young lady. Where me forget gun from? Me say you were just start. You don't worry about that. Me not report nothing. Not me not report it. All of my money then gone with.
Yeah. You better you go report it to the police.
Oh, Miss Ivy.
Better when you report it to the police, make them take you up in a hand. You can't manage them, there's something there.
Miss Ivy, here I go now. Just go back in.
Yo, tap here, so. I get some. Serve!
Oh, yeah, get bossy.
I get a craving here. Serve!
Stuck up, man. Yeah, bossy, get one for me.
Alright, may I get two of them? Alright. Thanks, here, auntie. Money enough up in our pocket though. Rich. No way, me rich. So you say I go on now?
You know, boss, right now.
Forward make we go on there, son.
No, man. Boss, I right to some here going.
Oh.
You see me, must me tell about the little thing that will go on now.
With your baby mother?
Baby mother me go link and see what go on.
Okay.
Because what day, go to my hospital if I go drop off the thing them when I get fear, you see me?
Yeah.
You see him change the law I get. But man, I go down to the place kind of hot one way.
Hold on.
Police and detective.
Let me check how much man, because the more you talk, you feel like money has to disappear.
Police and detective in the place, so
Yeah.
I couldn't get to drop everything myself, so I have to give one doctor to run the operation for me and drop it off gear. So I go check her mother right now to find out what go on if she get the things them, see me? But bossy, how you get so much US from what day, what go on?
You don't worry about that. It's a Chinese boy, I'm going to stick up and take away money.
Bossy, you can't ban that move there?
No, I can't bring man for move and stress out, bro. Instead of you go pint to gun, so you go to pint to suck your stress.
You're mad. I tell you about flick quick. Money have to jump up.
I like to.
No talking, then can't even looking at my face. Bossy, we are
You
talking
have one
about?
next mission I want me to go pan. This time a bigger food, so you go alright and comfortable. You go alright. So here now. Let's show you my biggest stuff. Buy a juice.
Mean bossy chat about. What am I
Let's
talking
show
about?
you bring me come here. Buy some gas.
Quick and fast.
Alright. You're good with that?
I think you come up with something more with something else.
See you wait for me if you go in our shop.
Yeah.
That's for your pocket.
Alright. Should I give me one for Bonnie first though?
Alright. That's for Boniface.
Alright, boss, now I'll make you link and circle back. You see it?
Alright.
Oh, I think I want more you take out game. I like it.
What's up?
Yeah, but some circle.
Where you want, boy? Where you want?
A minute, the place and time. Sorry. So now what do you mean if you have a real big woman and big man talk? You say it? I can't feel that inside it.
Are you father? Where you come and me hear that question about my picnic, sir?
What a
You know me not like you from morning. What you want? What you want with my daughter? What you want to know what I want for her?
Sorry, have a great future for your daughter.
What you want with my daughter? What you want to know what I want for her? Eh? Eh?
Yes, I have it.
Boy, you see for my daughter? My daughter no in nothing with you. And he no want you. Me tired to leave. Me tired to tell you to leave my daughter alone. Eh? Yes, me understand. My daughter left school. She graduate. She leaves school the good way. You? I drop out of school. Me know your mama, you know. Me know your my alien. Me know her good. Me know say you never used to like school. Say one come turn me daughter in idiot now. Nah go so.
Ivy,
Nah go so at all.
I don't come down here so to talk to you about no drop out of school and no drop out of this or drop out of that. I come to ask you what your daughter doing in the hospital.
What?
Miss Ivy, I really want to know.
Wara?
If you fix a daughter in her belly, you know. That me the hear, you know.
So you know some my daughter in hospital?
I say, wicked woman.
The other city, look here, I can't come tell me, or ask me, because I can't tell her, they tell me, say, me fist my daughter in. Why would I fist my daughter in her belly? For what sake? And a matter of fact, if me even thump my daughter in her belly or her back, how that concern you?
Miss Ivy, I was coming around the road the other day. You see him friend we always sit down and susu up with. She tapped me. Here, I want water by her to her sun hot. And she tell me everything you say. You fist a daughter in her belly. She tell
Which
me
friend
that.
did they talk about? My friend? I don't have no friend but God. And Mary and Martha. You cannot be my friend. And a matter of fact, I not even want you to come to my yard. You come question me about my daughter. So, the whole I want to know say my daughter in hospital. I wonder if you have something to do with this thing.
Miss
With my
Ivy,
daughter in hospital. You come and use it for me. Miss Ivy every minute.
Miss Ivy, you mash up your life. You notice you only get one youth. Listen to me. I have a beautiful future for your daughter. She's going to have more than 12.
I beg your pardon now what you're not
Okay?
saying.
Listen to me. She not going to get all and crub up like you, Miss.
Look here. Look, don't run quick. You know say me gate there.
Miss Ivy.
You know say me gate there.
I don't mean,
You know,
I don't mean like that.
The last time me talk to you, no boy.
I don't mean like that, Miss Ivy.
You them mingle up with me that you feel you can come turn up and address me in that the manner there. Me could have be your mother. You're out order. You're lucky for me to call police fire and me get up and tell them say you come here in argument with me come tell me about a one me have. You know say damn in out order.
Yo, Miss Ivy. Come here. In a good mood, you know, Miss Ivy. I'm see her flip and I go and so you know it thing come down in Miss Ivy. See how my dog turn up over there, say, you know. I have
Which
flip
dog?
up herself. It's my dog right there, so. Yeah, flip up herself, you know, Miss Ivy. And you know it thing come down, you know.
So, hold on there. No a boy that where they do all kind of badness in the area where they call Zeeks. So I feel squab that too. And you come along. So you can't come and me gate for come do what? Where you can't come for come do?
Yo, take time to talk, man. I want you to talk about my boss here. No what you do. Miss Ivy, you know if everything come down in the street. You know me a bad boy in the street. So for you see yourself push me off a bike like that, you see me even retaliate or do nothing. Miss Ivy, you rate me rate and respect you here. You have to know what you do. And listen to me.
Alright.
Listen to me.
Listen now, wait a second.
Listen
Tell
to
me
me.
what you say. Wait a second, me I listen. You notice me tone of voice gone down. Wait a second now.
I want you to know. So, me breed a daughter too.
What? You? Oh, sorry.
Yeah, though.
Not a thing. I just did kind of. It's okay.
See the future, me have for your daughter. You have to go respect that. Here. And see if you go on to
hyperactive and go on to boots up, or too hypey. Listen to me. I have a lots of soldiers on the camp. I can get one to breed you too. Remember, say we run off the street. So don't show up yourself.
No, go on no hyperactive.
I want to
Never
show you that
drink less
respect.
sugar.
I want to show you that respect. I want you to cherish her the best way you ever cherished somebody before. And listen to me. I want you to listen to me good. Treat her good. You hear me say? Treat her good. And don't make me hurt you. You hear? Come here, say, yo. You say no officer in her belly alone too, you know. You say poison her, you know. And make sure that no go so.
But dog, what go on? I want no help done there.
Nah man, everything good man, everything portal man, everything govern man, me have it under control.
Alright,
See
that's
that?
a 40.
You even know. You hear? You know, so everybody have respect when they treat differently. You know that. So now you do pass the place and make sure you get her out of the hospital quick and fast. You see the baby, any little money you make, you put on half of that. You know, so that have to buy baby clothes and baby equipment. Make sure.
Yes, sir.
I'm going back over here now. See that gold chain there on the neck too? I'm going to be a baby first present. Make sure you clean it up when you go over. Don't push me off of my bike and I can hurt me and even know some bad dog do this. What am I going to do? I ain't even going to say, yo.
Tina girl. Girl, come out, come the right here gate are coming now. Alright, girl, I literally reach. So nobody, when I come there, stand up and wait for you. Come out, girl. Alright. So, you smoke good on this one, wait for me. Tina. Oh, girl.
Sometimes I'm
Yeah, but come and talk to that shit on your support.
I really know nothing about you. Need me to
So, what kind of medicine like I say, still I feel pain?
Girl, yes, me still feel pain.
Wow.
But anyways, guys, me even come out the hospital. But I can just know you can go look for me. For a few days, then I come out.
Girl, come just know say you come out.
Girl, this way you tell me, say, brother. That not right. Why you tell me say you could have worked? I must lose my life, you know?
Girl, I'm sorry, but listen. I want girl me a listen, you know, cause one girl tell me that all the thing come never put a rat person in my own because me didn't have like a time. You tell me say your mother go kill you, you're my only friend, you know. Me know why your mother kill you. So I think your rat pies would have worked faster, girl. Me never know you almost lose your life.
Well, I lose the belly, you know, but brother, I could have almost lose my life, bro.
I don't know how I feel if you lose your life. I'm sorry. But that's not my fault. Because the girl tell me that an instruction me I follow.
Alright, I forgive you, oh God.
So your mother, she never find out silly pregnant.
Yeah, she find out, but she don't argue with me or nothing. She just calm and alright, but the point is I can't leave the yard or you tell me I can't come.
You can't leave the yard?
No.
So anybody go to the party with me?
I
go to hospital 4 days ago. How the hell me forgot party?
I know, but sorry, girl, if you didn't analyze me, tell the truth. Would I feel away? Come with us, I'm my fault.
I know, but I forgive you. So,
I'll come out of the yard and even fix my clothes. I just won't come. Come on, me here, say you're there. See, your mother knows me, I can take a sip.
no, she don't know.
Oh, come, she should have made me tap the friend with your car, so she stay. So why you the feet there?
Girl, I know house load I have to stay home, I have to lay down, because they pain me.
Girl, you better walk out the pain, because if you lie down your pain, now go talk, it's just going to get worse.
The more I walk out, the more I feel worse now.
I must get to the day, so. Girl, I don't think so. I feel like you should have walked it. Tell them what I feel about something or something. Because if you lie down in the house, they call up, it go worse upon you. What the doctor said, by the way?
Well, the doctor said if I rodenticides in my blood.
Rodenticide?
Yes.
Girl, wait. I'm going to answer this thing. What is rodenticide?
Someone probably can find a rat pies and stuff. Girl, you cut up your whole inside. Maybe I started said, I really want to talk about it. But I want no other people go through it.
I feel like I'm my fault. Because at least I could have, well, but I try to say your mother, I'm going to bring her to the doctor Monday. I mean, I want to find her, say pregnant. Come, God, let's make you use the rest of me and Pepsi like what I do.
Oh, boy, I don't know.
I just wish no other young girl and child is like, I don't want no other girl of full age of fear go through this. Like, look here, my only friend nearly lose her life because of this year. That's why it's not good for have abortion, you know?
It's true. It's true. I don't know how to do it, man.
Go tap on the belly so can everybody go see and know what happened.
My belly a kill me. What you want to do? Oh, therapeutic pain?
Go take time. You want everybody know what that's your belly? But boy, it's a rough. Because first me hear something on your road then decide. If you go up, go search up that. My mother never find out say me pregnant too. Cause when I drink your still and something, I say blood you know. But it just did after that the pain it just go away. So me look like some still have like a fat. But otherwise I'm dead. My body never find out. I alone know I'm pregnant and a girl when they tell my boy so.
Yeah, that's true. But brother, don't tell nobody the information they again.
No, anytime nobody come to me about no other belly, me not tell them for that shit to me, I tell them keep it or bring it to the Lord or bring it to the hospital. Me no business. Cause some could make you lose your life. Everybody would have to blame me. I say I me tell if go dash your belly. Cause we should even dash your belly at full age.
You know something that you want to tell doctor nothing?
So you not tell him say you drink your rat pies?
What the hell me I tell the man that for?
So you not expect them to go know say you drink the rat pies?
You should feel more. What the hell me I tell them? What me I tell them that for? They don't even
So
know.
why you tell them something to you?
Girl, I didn't run some tests and find in my blood. But the unconscious or whatever. Me could tell them say me go drink rat pies and then go tell mommy. You crazy?
Girl, right now, we still are living in one lie because all I know. So, how your mother find out say that breed?
Girl, don't go doctor mommy find out. The doctor didn't tell her. When they go over there, the whole of them tell her. But the unconscious, me half, like me half dead.
Why? Girl,
But even know when time me reach a hospital, much less.
See, alone, listen from this.
I'm glad you know.
Though that's on a belly. But I fuck, what them give you take?
Want a pill they over yard. Want a pill where they give me. You can't come like could I even sell you and buy a house.
Girl, I'm glad you're alright, so you know. But you see this now, teach me a lesson. Cause I lucky me, lucky that's why them say pussy and dog not the same luck. Cause watch ya, me take it, all the time I put my prize in my mind, and me there is alright and strong. You take it and you nearly lose your life. That show we a lesson. Next time, we'll love big people things alone. Cause you see, if whenever they are trouble big people things, we only have belly figure dash way. You didn't say abortion is an abomination to the Lord?
Me know.
Okay, and we do it one time, now my second time. You see, as I'm there, Me allow big people things, but until me reach the age for have sex, me have sex. So it's when me reach the age and me have sex, and me can have sex and now, and me have baby, me have to worry about for that shit because my mother ever find out. Show them murder me.
Me say, thank God for me wanna do me nothing.
Oh, true. Yes, girl. Lower for the breeding argument now. Girl, we left school, you know, and every day my man are ning and my ear say, oh, I'm just left school, I'm not doing nothing. Girl, I feel I'm going to go back.
But you know, and then if you talk about it, if you do.
Come on, think what I do food and beverage, you know?
Yeah, well, I think what I do, front desk.
Front desk. You fit the front desk?
Good girl. You really come ask me if I fit for front desk?
Because them go quick, bro.
No, because you gave me upset a while ago.
Anyways, yes. So, 6 months in a girl, so we can go. Although I think for mother want you go on the road after she go find out say they breed. Because she think me is a good girl same way. Anyways, we go make my mother contact to her and then arrange with them for arrange up and sing. And this time I was serious. No belly is not catching. Understand? Anyways, before they send me, right? So I look, I mean, whenever I come see me, right? So before they send me go shop, if I go just sitting over there, so I go just sit and come back to come reach up in the yard before I come back.
Alright, I can go back over for me.
Alright, later. Girl, I'm tell you, nobody have no boyfriend, you know. So we not have to catch no more good come, and I advise you to do nothing more.
Hey, what me go do back with one more man again?
That means tell you, anyways, me can go up later.
Come on. Where's the school name again?
What school?
The one where we all go.
Oh, that, I forgot. It named Archers NTA. Girl, them train people for do everything. If you want to be cook, hotel, anything, them train people for do. That.
Okay, time I go over my search up here.
Yes, come go over my mother things that man me contact you for me, I got shop.
Alright, come on. Bye-bye.
Same every day, feelings and pain. Everyone said that I better do something. You are no good to me.
You know me do what I say, you know. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Wow.
Look healthy though. I don't know me can't do all and pull you. So
Let me there, you know. Girl. How okay, well, I wanna come look for me now one day, so.
how much people come to the hospital go look for you?
You want, you know, except from my mother, you know, I just you want to say, I feel love you so much, you know. You know what, man?
Can't believe. Can't believe say me, me say me can't believe say me lose. Me not even know where you have my niece or never. Me can't believe me lose. Right, yeah.
I'm not sick, you know.
So where Miss Ivy she are going with?
Well, I don't know how I go on, you know, because usually, mommy would have cuss me and go on the most way. Mommy just over the calm and alright. Mommy not cuss, mommy nothing.
Well, honey, Miss Ivy now cuss again. She not shout, she nothing at all.
No.
No, man. Something not right. Something can't right. So, me ask some question. For you come out, you see patrol?
No, you know, I do not see him. Tell you the truth, I don't see him.
I may soon come look for you. Because right now, brother stress out, you know, man. I'm not telling no lie. Right now, I know my brother that me I look pan. What do you tell me say me I walk like a arm? Where sitting there when you tell me say me I walk like again? Crab and snake in a one. Right now him favor the crab and snake cause through this incident why mash him up, he mash him up. Me not tell a lie. Mash up man, mash up.
Tell me something. Anytime I'm pregnant, I just doctor alone.
No, you know. Me say all Miss Ivy want me to tell her. Like she want get something out of me. She can't get it out of me cause Miss Ivy a tell me something and then she a come back round. And then she a go back round what she a say. Me not tell Miss Ivy say you pregnant, you know. And Miss Ivy come like he want me to tell him who get her pregnant and everything. And me tell her plain and straight say listen, me don't know where they talk about and me never know say Tina pregnant. So I must see doctor and tell me say you're pregnant. Yeah.
So, you never tell him how breed me do?
No, Tina come like you not hear me I say. Miss Ivy no get no information from me about them. There's something them. I tell you the truth. I'm loyal to you, girl. So nobody can feel like me no snitch.
Girl, how mommy knows your patrol and your brother impregnate me?
Me no know.
Just
I first news this to me. So let me tell you something. All Miss Ivy, me I tell you, all Miss Ivy don't pa me right there so fi tell her everything. Me not tell the lady nothing at all. Let me tell you, see me a bad girl, you know. No can't tell me if you know snitch around and so I must think that me a go around and come around a thing. Me loyal. Oh. I patrol a man that even him no loyal like me. Oh. Tell her that.
I know. So what me can Ebola? So what me can Ebola?
You know what I'm saying in real life though. God said to speak the truth or forever all our one. You can't even know if you pull this Ebola. Pull Ebola. You have to make the people then think that I'm broke.
Yeah.
I remember saying I'm rich, you know, me have money and I can't afford fish. So every day I get up with money and you want peace?
What's that? I did one day. I did one day.
For sure.
Yeah. Well, you see what's that me take so heap of pill? I'm not gonna give me running belly come if you agree with me.
Yeah, let me take you bull on the Kenny head. How this severe running belly? You not keep a pineapple bull on this girl.
Not because I find up a bulla.
It's having a cook in there.
Yeah.
Where cook?
No, but
The good man. The good car.
so what make you ask?
No man, because one time me think me there yes I left us by. I think want to take bad things and do. One time me think me there yes I left us rise so here leptospirosis is pies here. So me say Miss Ivy, how so much rat have in the house and not clean house Miss Ivy. Miss Ivy come like you would text it and knock me out there so me bright and out of it taste a rat in my place.
No, I'm not already.
But Tina, fun and joke aside no. That me the one you do smile though. Fun and joke aside.
No.
Get that for next time. You're good?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm just kind of start feel pain in my belly.
You're good. Hold on, we not left it for none of that time. We need to talk. What really good on with the pies the thing when me I hear so go on with you.
Well, girl, tell you the truth, you know. Tell you the truth. I know say I Pepsi and Rusty near sitting at rat pies me go take though. I'm not tell nobody so nothing. So girl, we help farmers over. Girl, we help farmers over.
Hold on. Where you just say a while ago?
Girl, I'm gonna say it again. It's the Pepsi and the Rustinia and the remember when it's one name and plus the rat pies.
So when me come and so Miss Ivy come and tell me about how they find poisonous substance in your body. A rat poison, leptospirosis. Tina.
Come on, your voice.
Tina.
Nobody know nothing.
Hold on. I don't know leptospirosis. I make me there think say your mother place so clean. Eh?
Remember some of me got come got doctor Monday. I need to get rid of it.
Tina make us so wicked.
It's not the point so wicked. I mean, you want to dead by mommy. Remember the money was very close to the girl.
Another alone it very close. That was close too. So you tell me, Tina, I can't believe you. Half of me tell her say, don't go do that, you still go do it.
But they have to do it. But they have to. See, mommy. If mommy never say I can go doctor, I would do nothing.
So what about patrol feelings? What about my feelings too, as a real auntie? As a rich auntie, me tell us already say you everything go on here still Tina. You know, say no only pick you want to get rid of. You know, say you want to get rid of yourself too.
Never did want to get rid of me.
Tell me something, tell us say you was very close to death. What if they did save the child and let you go? Tell me now. Tina, see right now. You know what? You get that.
Just cut that. I really think more I know how mommy knows say a patrol impregnate me. Mommy does say patrol, this patrol, that patrol. And she not even like a course, she just attack normal, straightforward. Yeah, it get me confused. Wonder about mommy attack like say my patrol a friend like it was them turn friend for the good time gone. Just not understand.
You don't understand, and me also don't understand. Because Miss Ivy and Miss Ivy hate patrol like a poison. Me I tell her something, I don't know where they come with you, boy. I have to find out what I go on. But I not tell a lie. You see, poison. What me say your mother hate patrol like, it come like you one way you take rodenticides. You see a rat poison there, I they talk about. Why? Tell her the truth. Just go and go get some rest. Because now I don't touch you because all the things are going with me. I can't tell her now. I'm my battle to fight. So just go on. Matter of fact. So you get one more chance. I don't want you to take one half your mind and go do something very positive. Because right now, what you plan to do?
I'm going to tell you now. I plan to go hard to go to the front office at the hotel.
That is it. That me talk about. That me talk when if you do something constructive. Look for me. You know I'm rich like me.
Yeah.
Not to me there so I'm bull and me not talk. Me rich. Me have money lock. So you need to go, you need to girl, right now, tell you the truth. Me need to do one skills what me can do. So when me come and me say, yo, sister, do this to me, I can do it. Because I now go and like some intelligent, you know. I'm not too intelligent, you know. I'm dunce, you know. Dunce. But me still got me thing locked. Because at least money still coming from my side. You understand? So it's a money making thing. You understand? And guess what? I know you know subject like I mean a Tina. But you see the hard thing where I say, you need to go on there and you need to go on there. I would have people I'm like in business, you know. But anyways, you need to go on the hard. Shh, this is what I say, them no matter right now. You need to go on hard. Get your certificate and do it right. Because guess why you know? I know subject do it, you know, my friend. Ambition. Potential. something what you want to do, something what you know you want to do it, so you go show it where, say, yeah, I hit me, I go do. So, when I talk to you, brother, I don't talk to you for no foolishness, I don't talk to you with no foolishness.
I know.
And the next thing too, you need to be streetwise. That's when I see them look dirty foot corner boy up on the corner. Run them away. I could have my brother run him away. Because I right at the pregnant road you want to carry up. And you see it in carry there. And if you make him get a chance again, he will carry again. And this time I'm going to get a twin. So me tell you something. Just hold up your head, my friend. And focus on better things. And just Lego man. You see me win, man?
No.
Ah. See? You don't see me win, man, though?
No.
And that no means I'm going the wrong way, no. I'm not going the wrong way. I just try to make some money and focus on myself and put some business out there and think. Because right now, Patrol, every time say, me and him don't have the same mama. Me and him don't have the same mother.
I guess so.
Because Patrol role different, man. Different, man. Anyways, just get a thing straight now. Get well and just jump on the heart. You know what I say? I'm going to move from yesterday, you know.
Alright, I'm going to go down.
Yeah.
Later.
Yeah, later. Over here?
Yeah, I love it too.
No, some there are going good.
Yeah, man.
I mean, man, $1 to buy your food. You buy your food. Hold on there.
Thanks.
What me hear something to you over there?
What that? What?
It's like the boy them rob you.
But left that alone, man. Left that alone.
Oh, my sister, me ever find out how we know. And dirt, me a dirt them fear. Come here, I cannot believe it.
Yeah, man.
So you're not reporting?
No, me tell us, watch out now. Left that alone. Everything good. You understand? Respect for this, sir. Respect for this, sir.
Tag.
You see, me I tell a friend what you know. Me I tell a friend what you see. What do you me I tell her say you're a thief. But me take it back. Me can't have my money. And people just gonna rob me money so from me. You know me say the boy they're lucky, you know.
Sis, a joke business at the Panama, you tell me because anytime I find out which boy that me I tell you. Fee.
Where do you with Keisha? Patrol, where you go?
Where you going with?
I see.
Yeah, man. Anything good.
Yeah,
So you don't say boy then rob my sister.
I lie.
I hate more and find out right now because anytime I find out which boy that theme brain have to open up and I
Who rob you?
put some copper lead in that.
Yeah.
Hold on. So me not see you in a restaurant while I go and tell me about it. I to call me pan.
Yo, watch the bad damn all sit down. Cause you tell yo, me telling this bad man. Right now this a reach too far in about that. Here, this a reach too.
Yo, get up no patrol, man. Come like a drop in a patrol.
Hey, yo. Yo, I say anytime me find out which boy grown my sister, can a boy never grown me yet, you know? And boy grown my sister, anytime I find out who do that. And my sister give me 3 bills a day, you know, to deal with my operation, you know. A year, anytime.
You know hear nothing. You know hear a who.
You not hear nothing. You not hear.
You not see boy face.
Me not see boy face. Me tell when me.
A TV contact lens funny eyeball, you know see?
Sis.
Brother, he boy look, he's slim in her body. He's slim in her body.
Yeah.
And in face, actually guys see the coming in her face. I don't know what kind of color he have or nothing. All I know say I just make money. The boy rub and come take us. So what me I do is so much money.
What come down in her face?
He's seen there like he rub up in here with some shirt or something.
You should look for the man face, sis man. You should look for the boy face. You can right now, mother find him right now.
Come here, say beat all 10 shot off for you. No. No, you me say fire 10 shot off for him.
Oh! No, somebody know that. Oh! Where me get gun from? Huh? What me do? Mine know you come.
Hey, relax, man. You see, I take God just take a picture. Calm down, man.
Alright, me I say, where they go?
You know what that means?
Time is right now.
Anytime me find him.
I get it.
I see him so in head ball a roll. Come in, only for out area.
I murder him. So that's say me get called.
For out area. Yo, you see anytime me find that boy, make sure, yo, you see long thing where you give me?
Yeah. Well, use it on him.
Wait, yo, me. Yo, I can show that boy the simple.
Me a going, bro. I'm on to rum when me drink, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah, me I tell us say I tree bush so me have to walk, bro. If you ever know what me have to walk to go on my yard, bro, you won't even understand, bro. The amount of rum when we a drink, bro. Me I wonder if I right place me I walk go. Alright, well say look more again. Alright. I say I heard. Backside. Backside. So me get to a bush up. No side come like that to go start drink. I will train for go on me yard again. So also. Deep. Any mini minor I must so.
Watch me and the boy there.
Boy, me not tell a lie, no, rum bar then nice, you know, man. All Shelly.
Come up here, sir. Come here, sir, man.
Hey.
May I ask you something?
No pint for me, please.
Mr. May I ask you something? Stop your eyes. Oi, when I a thief me money, you never there.
Me?
Listen, when I a thief me money, you never there. Listen to me. I dare when you see me.
Yeah.
Come here, someone. Come here. You look like a whole lump in you.
Me not thief your money.
I dare when you see me come check my brother. And you see me with my money. Who give you the hardest city if you come back and rob me? Eh?
So I'm here drink.
Mister, who give you the...
Me not...
Put on. Mister, who give you the hardest city if you come rob me?
Me I tell you.
Eh?
Me I tell you the truth. I me take... Me have some left. Come, no hurt me. No unalive me.
Come now.
No unalive me, please.
Who give you hardest city if you come? Come now.
Alright, take that.
Give me this. Give me this boy. Who give you hardest city if you come take my money? Eh?
No, let me explain.
Me ask you a question. I'm shut out of face now.
No, do that, please. Me and my son and my daughter if you go home to please.
Hey, what? Kneel down. Kneel down. No, kneel down.
You not hurt me. You not gonna hurt me.
Yo.
Please. Me I beg you.
Want make us a licky?
Please. Me have some...
Want make us a licky?
Please. Me a God bless child. Me no want to analyze me.
Want make us a licky?
Me no know. Please.
You see, next time when I see people money, don't take them. Don't take people. Me
hurt me,
me shot him in a man.
Please don't hurt me.
Boy, lift up from your son. Run. Lift up. Watch out. Lift up.
No, do me no.
Lift up. Oi, turn up, turn up, turn up. Jump 3 times. Mr. Jump 3 times. Come back here, sir.
Don't do me that, please. Please, don't do me that. Please.
You see, next time you try that.
Me not try again.
Mr. Me bust out it.
Me not.
Don't take my money. Don't take.
Alright. Me go run, you know. Me go run. Don't shoot.
Run over, hey boy.
Can somebody like you? Can somebody like you like that? Got no one to blame, you're falling apart. A couple of volumes on fixing your heart. Nobody got you, and nobody got you like I did when you left just to find your fix. Keep losing yourself and you call it a win. Now I'm here just like you wanted. Once again without a warning. 'Cause when you look in my eyes and it's so cold. Turn around on your knees, take the pain just to feel. When you walk through the night and it's so cold. Feel me there on your skin, take the pain just to feel. Nobody like you, and nobody do the things that you do. We blaze through the lights, no hands on the wheel. We covered in ice, then we crash through the hills. Ooh.